Are we live? Hold on. I'm about to find out. I'm about to find out. Yes, we're live. Booyah. Okay, so I'm going to close this and I'm like, hey, Cloggy! I'm Cloggy. All right, so, hold on. Are we starting from the beginning? I hope we're starting from the beginning. Yes. Are we starting from the beginning? I'm playing with Jack and Sakura, but they started without me. You see? You see? You see? I was trying to be a gentleman and waiting for everyone else, and then they started without me. Oh, kids these days. I think we're starting at halfway through the level. It's not fair. We should start from the beginning. Oh. Oh, we should start from the beginning. How about that? How about that? This is not the beginning. Come on. We're gonna start halfway through the game. What you gonna do? Hold on. Hey Gideon, welcome. So yeah, as you can see, we're gonna play some Operation Raccoon City. But what happened is I got sent an invite halfway through the game that they were playing on their own without me. No, but this is halfway through the game. I want to start from the beginning. It's not fair. Let's start from the beginning. Dudes, dudette. And both of their microphones are not working. Oh, there she is, Sakura. Why should Sakura's asking me why I left a voice chat with another two people who are both on mute. There's no point. Both of you are dead over there. I'm not gonna. Might as well speak here by myself. I'm gonna speak to myself. I'm gonna speak here. No, come on, come on. I couldn't hear you. I heard nothing. You were on mute. I couldn't hear you. You were on mute. Yeah, but I couldn't hear you. You're on my. It says you were. Get your butt on. You weren't there. Ah, now you're on. Okay, hold on. Shashu, can you hear me?
You know,
Ah, there she is. There she is with her
bye
beautiful,
bye. My God.
accent. How are you? She's gone again.
Hey, Mother Russia.
Oh, there
I
she
kill.
is. There
Hey,
she is.
Mother Russia. I kill Vloggy.
Listen, are we gonna start the game from the beginning, or you guys start without me? And
No,
now,
no, no. He was because I don't know the control, so he was helping me with the control. So I can't start from the beginning.
let's start.
Blah, blah. I'm so used to quick turns, loading, and
Yes,
stuff like from RE's
yeah,
5, 6, and 7. So
yes, but Sakura, I have to keep in mind that this is an inferior game. This is not as good as the other ones. This is a crap game. Well, I mean, it's not that crap. It's not that bad, but it's an inferior game. It's an inferior game. So, I'm gonna set up a session myself since the session campaign. Restart campaign from the beginning.
yeah,
Okay. All right. So now what?
Vloggy,
You.
Vloggy. When have I gone mute and not talked to you? You know,
At one point you're on mute. I couldn't hear anything, and next to your name there was like the mute signal, like "Lup," like that. So,
oh, no, no, I told you because I need to make a phone call at 7 o'clock, and I was like,
so you were doing the phone call. Okay, okay. We're gonna start.
okay, okay,
Let's
okay,
go
okay,
casual.
bend over, bend over.
Okay, I'm bending over.
Let me smack that ass.
Shh, Sakura, Dada's in the chat. He can hear you. All right, so
Give me.
squad. I'm going to invite Ghost Hunter, invite to squad, and all right, sending. That's one. I sent the invitation to one, and now
Okay.
squad, and I'm inviting you. You should get some sort of invitation to join. Hopefully. Let's see. Let us see.
Hold on, let me get in. Hold on, let me get your thingy.
Okay. Oh, I wish Jack could join us. His microphone is dead, apparently.
Yeah. listen, Vloggy.
Okay,
Listen,
Jackhammer joined.
listen to your cutesy, adorable voice, with the accent. I can't go mute without talking to you.
Good, good. It's good to hear. Thank you. I thought you were gonna leave me on my own, by myself, playing on my own. All right,
I'm all alone,
I'm all
and
alone
nobody's here beside
beside
me.
me. All right, I'm gonna choose this guy. This is my favorite because he's got a hoodie. I like him. All right, everybody's chosen. We can go apparently. Ready, set. I think you still haven't chosen yet, or not? Are we ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So what do I do? How do we start? 5, 4, starting. Okay, awesome. Sakura has a crush, Cloggy. Now they're calling me Cloggy. because I clogged the toilet. No, it's not that.
Hey,
No, it's not that.
that is not a crush. It is just toying with Vloggy because
Yes,
he's
yes,
the easy target.
she playing.
Yeah, I
Um,
like to play with Vloggy. It's not a crush. No. I don't have feelings for Vloggy other than friendship and me busting his nuts.
I am nuts. I am nuts. But you're busting them for me now. All right. All right, we're gonna start the game. Can you guys hear everything fine? Can you hear the game audio? Not you, Sakura, obviously, because you're only hearing me. But Dada, can you hear the game fine? Can you hear Sakura fine? Can you hear me fine? Me and my beautiful voice.
Oh, I thought you tra la la.
You touch my tra-la-la. All right.
Are we starting from the beginning?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
That's Hunk. Look at Hunk.
Ooh, that hunk.
Look at Hunk. He's a pro. Audio's on point. Excellent. That's what I like to hear. Sorry, guys. My voice tonight. Mike is there. No problem, Jack. No problem. We'll miss you, and we're gonna be complaining about the fact that we miss you. But well, there's nothing we can do. Mr. Death. Are you Mr. Death, Jack? What did you choose? I think you chose Mr. Death. Did you?
Lupo.
He, cho-
He picked Lupo.
he picked Lupo.
Okay. No problema, Jack.
No problemo.
Understood. Now find Birkin and secure those samples.
Don't mind me if I cuss in Spanish because after that rampage with Amy, oh boy, my mouth. I need a soap.
You need to hang out with me again so you become mild
Yes,
in your.
I need to be docile,
All right.
like, oh, Dougie, oh.
Okay, so I need. Oh, all we can do is turn around right now. Let's keep turning around. La 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 la.
Look at you.
Who else is turning? No, nobody's turning. No. Okay, I see you turning as well, and there's Jack as well. All right, that's good. That's good. We're all good. Look at us wearing our umbrella uniforms. So good. Wait a minute, you chose the guy. All right, that's weird. So Jack chose the girl, and the girl chose the guy. Oh, come on, come on. What is this? What is a Carl who's been waiting for my stream? He's going there at last. And Carl, this is more his style. These kind of games. He's like, he's playing a manly game finally. A game with guns and third person. Let me just remember how to shoot. Alright.
I know, I forgot. Don't tell me because I'm so.
Yes, it's
That's
weird.
the other games. That's
Yeah.
why.
You know who else I invited today to play with us?
Amy?
I invited Amy, yes, but she couldn't go. So instead, and then I also asked, where'd you guys go? Where'd you guys go? I can't see you. Oh, there you are. Oh man, this is not easy.
Tell me about it. I was suffering.
Yeah, that is not. Well, I mean, until you get used to the. There's an herb over there. There's a green herbage. Um, that's okay. Once you get used to it. Oh wow, I think I need an herb. Thanks, thanks. So what was I saying? I also invited Raven Rose. I don't know if you know who she is. I invited Raven Rose, but she's busy right now. She'll join us next time. She has Operation Raccoon City on her PlayStation 3 as well. It would be fun.
What you guys make me buy for my PlayStation 3.
Yeah, it's worth it. Look, have you been enjoying your time on the PS3 right now? Huh?
Yeah. Hey, Bluggy, you carry me, I carry you, vice versa.
Yeah, exactly. You carry me on Resident Evil 6. Hey, You should duck exactly like that. Good. Oh, we're done. I think. Okay, we're good. I think we're good. Are we good?
No, we're not done. Are we? Are we? Are we? Are we?
I don't see anyone else. Oh, somebody.
Fire in the hole!
Who threw a grenade? Did you throw that?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I think we're ready. I think we can go.
Okay, how come this is not opening?
It should open.
Am I missing something?
I don't know.
Hold it, let me go upstairs. No.
Alright, it opened now. It's open now. Okay, good. Mr. I'm Krusty, help me please! Everybody's like, help me please in chat. Oh man, I think I'm gonna make a t-shirt with help me please. Alright, here. I'm gonna go next to you guys.
Fire in the hole!
Refill ammo. Oh, nice. I think he goes nice. I think I'm gonna make a t-shirt with the help me please. I like that idea. I forgot how to heal. The beginning of the game is all about shooting guys, shooting people and that. Like, where's Resident Evil? This is not Resident Evil, shooting people. But halfway through the game, we'll be going through Raccoon City and shooting zombies and stuff.
Right. Fire in the hole!
Who am I shooting? Who is that? Okay, so Jack went down there. Okay, I'm gonna go down there too. Ah, this guy's with us. Alright, that's Hunk. I've been shooting at Hunk by mistake. Oops. I'm like, why won't he die? Oops. First aid spray, I'm gonna pick it up. Because I'm greedy like that. Oh wow. Duck. Oh, so many people around. I'm running. Oh, I'm gonna die. How do I heal? What do I do to
I
heal?
don't know. I forgot yet. I
do
don't
I
know
heal?
because I didn't hear yet.
Oh, like this. Okay. I think I got it. There we go. I healed.
We've got a location of Dr. Birkin. He's just entered.
Let's go find Dr. Birkin. I love this part because we get to see a part of Resident Evil 2 here. I like that.
Ah, see?
Birkin's already set up an exchange.
Man, I missed the quick turns. Oh my god.
Run into special operatives before this is over.
What? Oh, cutscene.
I kick his ass.
Hey, Juan, welcome.
Forget your training.
Shot at Jag VB. Yeah, oh, there's an herb over there. Does anybody need herbage? If nobody's gonna pick up the herbage, I'm gonna take it. Hold on. Oh, somebody took it. Okay. I think Jack is destroying the security cameras.
Emergency. There has been
Better for him to do that because I have no idea how to do that crap.
Yeah, me neither. Left pad is healing. Yeah, I figured it out. Thank you, Jack.
We're using authorized access.
If you press left, it heals, assuming you have a first aid spray. This way, Sakura, or not? Which way? Isn't it this way? I think we're this way. No. Oh no. According to the map, this way. Oops. Sorry, I'm such a noob.
You and me both, because I just started this game like, what are we supposed to? I forgot here. What the hell are we doing here again?
We're here to find Dr. Birkin because he has the G virus. We're here to steal it. Wait, that's why.
Oh,
That's why
right.
we're with Hunk. This is part of Resident Evil 2, more or less. Hey, sir. Okay, he's gonna handle.
Right.
He's gonna handle it himself now. He's gonna be like, "You guys wait for me outside. I'm gonna go with the other guy, and I'm gonna have a sip of wine."
You, come with me.
Hi, Mr. Moore. Hi, Red Rooster.
Hey, Moore, and hello, Rooster. What's this? 8 plus 8 equals legal. I don't get that.
16.
It's sheer perfection. My precious G virus. No one will ever take you away from me.
We get it, Wesker. We get it. Let me slap you.
That's not Wesker. That's Dr. Birkin. Because he sounds like Wesker, actually. Do you plan on getting a capture card, Sakura?
I almost bought the capture card for $80, but somebody told me not to buy it.
Why?
And I'm not sure if he's where Matt told me he's gonna give me his Avermedia card, but I wasn't sure if he was joking or who was for reals.
Somebody needs to revive me. I died.
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
I don't. Oh, somebody. I don't know who revived me, but I'm back. So, how do I switch weapons? I forgot.
Fire in the hole! L1, L2 at the same time.
Yeah, but that's how you fire. I mean, how do you switch weapons?
L1 and L2 at the same time.
L1 and L2. Oh, L1 and L2.
I figured that out. I don't know. I was pressing like I was smashing
Oh,
buttons.
okay. All right. That's weird. Yes, I forgot about. I completely forgot.
Repeat, there has been a
All right, we're good.
security
Let's go.
breach. Avoid contact with unauthorized personnel.
Rooster, I think you offended Nightbot. I don't know what happened, but you offended Nightbot. What did you say? I'm curious.
We've got a mission.
Okay, I don't know exactly which word triggered it, but let's go. Follow Ghost Hunter because he knows what's going on. Oh, we're
Yeah,
going
that's
up the
what's-
elevator. Nice.
That was the I was doing the 30-minute test run because I had to do this like I feel awkward because I'm level 1, bro.
okay.
You're level 22 and he's 79. I'm like,
Exactly. L2 switching weapons. Yeah. Thank you, Jack.
Heading to the rendezvous point.
Sakura, remember to buy skills weapons with the experience point. You too, Vloggy. Yes.
well, Jack didn't tell me. I was like,
Alright, what do we do here? Do I push the button? No. Do I shoot the button, perhaps? No. I made a hole in the button. Alright. What are we waiting for? Oh yeah, Jack is... Jack. William's coming. Look, they took the virus, but William injected the virus in himself.
smash.
Hulk smash! I love William. He's one of my favorite monsters.
Suck it down.
Look at that.
I don't know why I'm doing noises.
G-Virus. Okay, so. Alpha Team. Now we're gonna start running into zombies here and there because the virus just spread now.
Modern STDs. Modern STDs.
Modern STD, modern STD. Okay, I'm on by myself here. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, but alright. Jack is here, okay. And you're here too? Good. Because I keep hearing William, like...
Run.
Do you hear him? Do you hear William? I should be doing voiceovers. I should be doing voices for cartoons and video games. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come
Like
on.
what?
I'm good. How do you slide? I forgot how to slide. Oh, like that. Okay. Guys, wait for me because I'm caught behind.
What button? What button?
Okay, I'm coming. I'm running and I pressed X and it's like he does this thing. It's like I don't know if it's the same thing. Look. Oh, someone's coming.
Me like smash. Luggy.
Oh, smash! Hey, Zero, welcome. Welcome,
Hey.
welcome. We're playing some Resident Evil Operation Raccoon City now. We're handling William now. Uh-oh. Oh, run, Forrest, run. Oh, oh. Can I turn around? No, we have to shoot him. We have to shoot him or something. Escape. It says escape. Okay, no, don't attack. Don't attack.
Damn it! I got jammed. Need revival. You know what? No, run.
You need to be revived? I'm coming. Hold on. I couldn't go back for you. I couldn't go back for you. It wouldn't let me.
told you, leave me alone.
Oh
leave
my
me
goodness, he's on his own now, poor Jack. I think he can handle it, to be honest with you.
Jack has to save us. He has to go to the end. Run for it.
I think we're gonna
I'll be
revive
back
here. I think we're gonna revive here. No. He's on his own. My goodness, look at him running! Go,
Run!
Jack! Save us! Oh, look, he's on fire! You're on fire, baby!
Help me,
Help me, please! Please help me! Is he gonna make it? He's gonna make it.
Look, yep.
Run!
Come on, you can do it.
And there was Bertha waiting for him as well. AI did better than us. Once the door opens, it's a checkpoint and we should respawn again.
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna respawn very soon. There we go.
Yeah, man, he carried us.
Rendezvous with Hunk. Let's go. I'm gonna follow. I'm gonna follow Jack. Is he right behind us? No, he's not behind us. Is he? Come on, Sakura, we have to get out of here. Doggies! Doggies! Help me, please! There were zombie dogs. Oh, wow.
No, doggies, let's go.
Yeah, you just performed it. There we go.
I need a weapon. Yeah.
You have a weapon. What you
I
talking
have a
about?
shotgun. I need a better weapon.
What you talking about, Willis?
In the hole.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Run!
Yeah, run! Run! He jumped me. He's right behind me. He's right behind me. Open that door. Open that door. Hold off Birkin until the door is open. Of course. Is there no quick turn? Seriously? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. There's melee. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Let me know when the door's open. Should have been the eye.
Go.
Is it open? Is it open? It's open. It's open. It's open. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh, that hurt.
Oh, you guys, I just saw you. I just saw you burst into flames. We're gonna do this. Oh, I'm on fire. I'm on fire, baby. Open the door. Open the door. Ah, Jack made it. Okay, let's do this.
Come on! Birkin injected himself.
Hey, Thomas, the tank engine.
You can do. Get out of here and make a full report.
Hi, Thomas.
Da, 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 da. You remember the theme song for Thomas the Tank Engine?
Yes, I used to. I remember that one.
Da, 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 da. Mission complete! And when I see mission complete, it reminds me of Metal Slug. What grade did you get? What grade did you get?
C.
I
got a C.
got a B for
I got a
boss.
C for failure.
I got B for boss. C is not for failure. C is for chocolate.
Hey.
Okay, so level 22. So how do I buy stuff? That is the question.
I have no idea.
Jack got an S rank. That's because
course.
you got an S rank because S. You're an S rank. Get it?
Yeah, he's the samurai. Samurai Jack.
Samurai Jack. Is that why you call yourself Jack? Jack. Samurai Jack. Dab Samurai Jack Kappa. Alright, so corruption. So how do I buy stuff now? How do I buy stuff? None. Mimicry, camouflage, motion detector, camouflage. Cloak you in order to infiltrate an enemy's. No, I don't like this. Can be used. No. These are the only things I can buy though. Back. No. What about these? Oh, I can buy more guns. But I think I bought the most powerful gun. Jack, if you're listening, you probably are. Which is the strongest gun that I can buy? I think I bought all of them though. It's the Juggernaut. I remember you telling me. I think it was the Juggernaut. No. I think you told me it was the Juggernaut.
I don't have enough points, so I'm gonna just save for when I hit level 10. I'm poor. I am a noob. I'm a like.
Hey Ala,
Warcraft-
welcome. And V4, hello. Sorry, I interrupted you. What you were saying. Sorry, I interrupted you, Sakura. I'm very sorry.
Smack ya.
Okay, Samurai Edge or Lightning Hawk in handguns. All right. What about the other
Okay.
ones? I think when it comes to other guns, I think I already have that one. This is UBCS standard issue. No, I want Samurai Edge. It's 25,000. All right. Wow, it's the Albert gun
Okay.
from. Okay, I'm gonna go with that one then. Ah, it's locked. Why is it locked? Why is it locked?
Oh madre! Allah humana! La 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 la!
It's locked. Why is it locked? Oh, I do have enough though. No. Yes, I have enough money for it. So why is it locked? Jack, why is it locked? And the other gun is the typewriter that I should be getting. Okay.
Well, I don't have enough money, so like I said, I just gonna wait till I hit higher level. I'm like poor.
Oh, I'm pressing X to select it. I need to purchase it by pressing square first. Oops, purchase? Yes. I got the Samurai Edge. Awesome. How do I... So I'm selling... Now I got the Samurai Edge. And when it comes to guns, he said the typewriter. Where is the typewriter? Arbiter. I don't see the typewriter. Where is it? Advanced SMG, machine gun, suppressed. Where is the typewriter? I don't see the typewriter though. Precision rifle. Anyway, I'm gonna go with the Juggernaut. Okay, I'm ready. Sorry for that. You guys were waiting for me. Sorry about that.
20 years later.
Hey Beaver, welcome. Look at all the awesome people in chat today.
Justin Bieber.
So yeah, Beaver, not Bieber. He's Beaver, Justin Beaver. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something and I forgot. Yeah, those of you just joined, we're playing Operation Raccoon City with Sakura. Say hello, Sakura. Say hello. Sakura, say hello. God dang it. God dang it.
안녕하세요.
And what else? What was I gonna say?
Kambawa.
And there's Jack as well. Jack is on silent mode though. He's too cool for us. He's too cool
Yeah.
to be talking with us.
No, he's too late for us. He's too late.
Yeah, he's way up there. He's like level 70 something because we are level 20 and level 0.
He's like I don't need to be bothered, but it's
You know, Beaver, there's a song called I'm Not Justin Bieber. There's a song.
by
There's a song.
Gunther.
By Gunther. Look it up.
See, because of vlogging, he got me hooked on Gunther.
I listen to Gunther like once a day, huh?
Thanks to you, now that song, No Pantalones, cut my head.
PD and civilian activity in the downtown area. Team 5 reporting. Gunfire near the hospital.
Boy,
Understood. Move to contain.
Ma'am, please calm down.
Thomas, just don't cap, because you're gonna get my butt.
Yes, Thomas. Be careful. If you spam with upper cases, you're gonna get timed out.
Yeah, that's the first warning, because Nightboy's not timing you out. The second one, you're gonna get the hammer.
The story of what
The hammer. And there's Jackhammer with the hammer, and there's also Sakura with the hammer. It's funny. I'm playing with my mods tonight. Look at that. I'm playing with my mods.
umbrella security service.
You got 2 mods. Giggity.
Giggity. Oh, there's Sailor as well.
Hi, Sailor.
You're not the
question,
only.
what-
You're not the only 2
people
mods
was-
now.
People are asking me, are you coming to Florida or to New York?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's too far away, but I'm going both actually. So I'll be visiting you and Swalby.
Yeah, weapon.
It's true, but not. It's gonna be a while because I have other plans this year for sure. This year I have a secret, a secret mission.
Uh oh.
I have a
Uh
secret
oh.
mission abroad.
When you say secret mission doesn't sound that does not sound good. I'm
It's,
afraid.
it's one of
I'm
those.
afraid.
It's one of those trips that I cannot tell anyone about. I love those.
Uh,
They're my
uh, I
favorite.
I am afraid. I had to fear of Bloggy, cause he has a mission.
Yep. Oh, watch out, zombies! Here they come. I could hear my disc and the PS3 disc going. The
Mine
PS3
too, mine
reading the
too.
disc going. Oh, you.
Spray it! Don't spray it!
Come on, zombies.
Oh
Take
my
that.
god.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch to the Samurai Edge actually. Ooh, this is a good gun. My brand new gun is fantastic.
Gotta get me that, but don't have.
Nikolai Genoviev,
I am Nikolai
UBCS
Genoviev,
Squad.
a UBCS platoon something
Your
something.
Umbrella Security
Your
Service?
umbrella security service, upper management must be in a panic that they sent you.
I'm going to do the voice for him.
My team was sent here to rescue citizens, but there's no time for that. City Hall is a mess. I'm trying to find a safe zone.
Good, good. Am I doing good?
Yeah, not the accent. Wow, my god.
City Hall is crawling with infected, and some identified military personnel. They're looking for something.
Why? What are you doing?
We ask the questions. This guy looks send.
His UBCS. He'll get himself killed somehow.
Is he done?
We've got orders.
Oh, no more, no more.
Question. Question.
All the best with your mission.
Yes, what you're saying.
He's Russian. I'm telling he's Russian. I'm like, question.
Yeah?
Am I allowed to take selfies with you and do busting stuff with you?
Yes.
Like
Yeah. We are gonna take pictures when that happens. And for the occasion, I'm gonna leave my mustache for the tralala.
Oh,
I'm kidding. Mustache vloggy.
you doing the mustache
Mustache.
dub thingy?
Mustache tralala. Hold on, what's going on here?
Fire in the hole!
The aim with the handgun is very awkward though.
Yes, that's why I was like, nah, I can't do it.
But it's a very powerful gun. I love how well he knows the guns, Jack? Whew. Such a good gun, man. I have the Albert gun, the one from RE7 basically. Hello zombies! Hello zombies! Look at Ghost Hunter.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. My name is Nikolai.
Welcome to the stream.
I'm Nikolai
You must
Genoviev.
sacrifice your life.
Let's go. I like that we visit a lot of landmarks in this game from Resident Evil, from Resident Evil 3, and well, a lot of Resident Evil 3 actually. Oh, we're gonna go to the police station. Have you been to the police station yet or not?
Yeah. Oh my god, no.
Already entered the area. Do not let them secure that evidence.
Fire in the hole!
It's time to fire in the hole.
You should probably take some cover, Sakura.
I don't know, that's a problem. I have a bad habit of letting myself pew.
What the heck? Oh. I'm gonna change weapon because Oh wow, I'm down. I am down. Time to look at chat. Sorry, I'm not looking at chat much. Hey, Mac Knight. Hello. Hello, Mac Knight. How are you, Sailor Mars? Sorry, when will you play Pokemon again? Next week, Beaver. Definitely next week. Definitely. So Ghost Hunter's still alive. What about Sakura? Yeah, she's running around. Low on health, but she's running around. Oh, somebody... Who revived me? Who revived me? Who was it?
Damn you! I saved your life and I died.
Really? You need revival? Hold
Yeah,
on. I'm coming.
I
I'm
need-
coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Just gonna get rid of these guys. I'm coming.
That's what you
That's
said last
guy.
night.
Shh, Giggity. Where are you, Giggity? Where are you? There you are. I
Lord, too.
revived you. You're welcome. I'm
Thank
low on
you.
health now. I need to heal as well. Hold on. I'm already low on health. I just got revived. You ready? We can go?
I'm looking for the best gun here, and I'm like, nah.
Where's Jack? Oh,
Alright,
Jack
time
is
to
over
go.
there. Okay, let's go. More guys. Careful. This is a good gun, but I don't think it's good for close range. For far away. It's for close range. It's mostly good. I am so low on health. I need... if you see some herbage or healage or whatever, please.
Vloggy needs some herb.
This.
I need an herb!
We've entered the
Oh,
secure
hold on. I found the computer.
Be a console. Use it to override the security lockdown. Good.
Vlog, you should come to check one of my things. I will. I will.
Check out that monitor
One of these days I will.
from earlier today.
Vloggy, one of these days, swag to the buttocks.
Oh, it's Nikolai. Ah, we're gonna catch him do something evil. Look. He's shooting his teammates. And he locks them out. And he leaves them for zombie food.
What a piece of crap.
I like the guy that climbs up there. He's like, I was almost out of their sight. Oh, man. And then
That's Nikolai and his team.
Isn't that against the company?
pick up some machine gun. Oh, pick up assault rifle. All right. Let's switch some assault rifle.
But we still need to destroy
Okay, zombies are coming in. Careful. What do you think of this game now that you've played it for a bit? Or it's still too early for you to tell if it's a good game or not?
For me, I played this on Xbox, on the Xbox.
I have played it before then. What do you think of it? Do you think it's a stupid game? Do you think it gets too much hate?
So. I can't say yes or no because I didn't finish the.
I never finished it. Okay, we are about to finish it tonight. We are gonna finish it tonight for sure. It's not a long game.
I only play 2 stages and I kind of like, I forgot all about it. Like, nah, Resident Evil 5.
Resident Evil 6.
Correct.
Oh, look at so many zombies! Ah, I love zombies because they're slow. There's gonna be crimson heads as well, in this game.
Crimson Heads? I didn't know that.
Yes, there will be crimson heads.
Fire in the hole! Oh.
But the story is not canon, just so you know. You probably know that already anyway. Where are you, Sakura? I don't see you.
I'm on the other side, cause I'm looking for weapons.
Come join us. Come join us. Don't be alone because you'll die.
I know, I'm looking for a weapon. Like,
There's one guy over here. He's running away. He's running away. Uh-oh, out of ammo. All in your hands, Ghost Hunter. Actually, I'm switching guns now.
Wait, where are you at? Where are you? Downstairs?
No, upstairs.
Oh man, I'm lost. I'm lost.
Hold
so
on,
I
let me
don't
let me
know.
see if I can find you. Oh, I see you. I see you there. Bertha
Okay.
is right behind you.
Alright.
Hold on. Okay, we're coming to you. We're coming to you. Me and Jack.
Never mind. I got.
There we go. Follow us. Follow us. Follow us. Which way? Yeah, you can see the map where we're supposed to go. Anyway, it's very easy when you think about it. Remember, you can get bitten by zombies and you can turn into ones. Unless you have an antiviral spray. You know that, right?
I got him.
Hey, Amy. Amy's in chat. Okay, Amy. Okay, Amy, if you're still up, might as well join us, please. No. We don't want to pressure you. We don't want to pressure you. But come on, join us.
Looks like Nikolai's team.
Join us, Amy.
Join us.
It's a lot of
It's
luggage for ya.
So much fun. Sakura's better than you two, she said. Yeah, whatever makes her feel better. Oh, we have to destroy them. Shoot the servers. Shoot the servers.
I have no ammo. That's
Okay,
why.
can you knife them?
And finish the job.
Can you knife them actually? I wonder if you
Whatever
could.
Dr.
Okay, zombies are getting up. Hold on. I did a fire in the hole. Damn, I can't. I know. We're just playing with you. We're just teasing you. I know you can't. You should probably get some sleep. We don't want to keep you up. Okay, guys, where are you?
Yeah.
Don't leave me alone.
Wait, I'm looking for ammo.
This is the right way, actually. Where do we go? I don't... Oh, wow, it's so dark here. Open door. Am I going back? Oh, I found ammo here.
Oh, you guys leave me alone.
No, actually, I think we lost Jack. I can see where you are, but...
I'm with Jack. What's the
Oh.
matter with you?
Okay. I am lost. Help me, please. Okay, yes, I know where you are. Okay, I'm coming. It's very dark. The game is quite dark, eh?
Yep, very dark. Very dark.
I am coming. I am over here.
Ah, you're upstairs, yes? Again.
Yeah, I'm upstairs, man.
You are upstairs.
Okay, I got people chasing me. No.
I like to suck some blood.
You like to suck. Okay.
Hey.
What? I don't see you guys. I don't know where you guys are.
Fire in the hole!
I have no idea where you guys are. You guys are upstairs. How did you get upstairs?
Cause we pro. Man, we pro.
Sakura rules. Hey, Ivan. Oh, I lost you. I don't know where to go. You are upstairs. I can see that your name tags are higher up.
Yeah, man. Yeah, cause we rule.
Hold on. Is it this way? Oh, okay. I see you guys. Okay, I missed a set of stairs. A set of stairs? A flight of stairs? There you go. Zombies everywhere. I'm coming. You can all come down now. Did you just see me kick a zombie? I just kicked a zombie. Okay. Join your teammates at the marker. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Okay, where's Sakura?
Right behind Jack.
There we go. Sleep hype.
That's the records for
Maku, Naito.
Now find that evidence and get rid of it.
Tell your friend I'm here. Ivan is here.
I got no friends. I'm sorry.
You got no friends?
I'm ruthless Russian.
Me too, I don't have
not-
friends. Me too, I don't have friends. Okay,
I
what
do
are
not
we doing
consider
here?
friends.
Oh, we need to destroy evidence. Destroy the evidence.
Must destroy evidence.
Must destroy evidence.
I
what
don't
is
need
this?
to know that. I got dirty pictures with bloody.
We must destroy those pictures.
Watch out, there are like infrared stuff that we need to shoot and they blow up. Okay. What is this? More stuff that I can burn? 4 out of 5. I haven't burnt one myself. Who's destroying them? There we go. It was all Jack.
Yep, old Jack. Old
Okay.
Jack.
He's a good... Oh, open door. He's speedrunning this game. We're just chasing him. Sometimes we're just trying to keep up with him. He's so fast.
Hey, listen,
He's so
I'm a
good.
noob and I have excuses. I'm not level 22.
Sakura. Sakura. Sakura, Sakura, Sakura. I love you.
Shut up.
Said Amy.
Right.
Amy said, I love you. Tell Sakura I love her, she said. That's what I mean. And
Oh,
that's why I said I
Amy,
love you,
you're
because that's what I meant.
You're such a nice person.
Where now? Where do we go? And I'm alone. Where's my friends? Oh, there they are.
I'm all alone.
There's no one here beside me. The Malteser's here. What's up, Mr. Malteser? You're level 98? Seriously? Shh, shh, shh.
Haha, they serve their purpose most excellently.
Serve their purpose most excellently.
Just as you will.
Nikolai, hold your position.
Hold your position.
Is this as far as you got earlier?
Yes.
Oh, man. Okay, I don't think you need to shoot the lickers. You just have to run past them. I'm just gonna follow Jack. Just follow Jack. Follow Jack.
Run
Whatever,
for your life.
whatever he does, just follow Jack.
I'm trying, but I got licked on.
Giggity. And I lost Jack. No, there he is. I'm gonna keep chasing Jack. Drop down, drop down, drop down, drop down.
Oh my god, they won't let me go down.
Oh, come on! One liquor after the other. Come on. Seriously? 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 Come on! Okay, I made it out. So did Jack, apparently. Jack's outside as well. There's a lot of zombies here. Somebody spat on me. There's a big smudge on the screen. Where do we go, Jack? I'm just following Jack. What's going on? Where do we go?
Oh my god, I need help, I need help. Where did Jack go?
Jack is with me. You're the one that got
I'm
behind.
dead, I'm dead.
Oh, you made it. That's you. Well, you made it. You're with us. Mission complete. Now, what did we
Holy
get?
crap.
Now, what did we get? I got a rank C this time. Alright, I'm gonna look at chat for a bit. I haven't looked at chat in a while. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, chat. I've been neglecting you.
Me too, I'm so sorry.
What did you
So
guys
sorry.
get? What did you guys get? I went up to level 23. Wait,
I have an A, I have an A.
you got an A? Wow, good. Nice.
How about Jack? Thank
I
you,
actually never saw gameplay of. Hello, Dean Beam. Never saw gameplay of this game because everyone said it's not a good game. The thing is this. It's not a fantastic game, but it's okay. I might date a liquor. Won't get a tongue like that with. Amy, Amy, Amy. Giggity. Funny
Hey,
thing.
Amy, I can do one thing. If Logan comes to New York, I can give him the tongue.
Shh. Oh. Oh, thank you, McKnight. Oh. Oh.
Kappa, 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 kappa.
Ghost Hunter went up to level 80. Wow.
What, Jack?
I want to change the gun, but I don't have anything else now. The gun that I want. Jack, by the way, I cannot find the. Where is it? He
Oh,
said.
wait. Amy,
the
Amy,
Chicago-
You joining, Amy?
What?
I don't
What's
have the
going on?
money.
No, what's going on? Hammer. No, that's
Jack, I don't have the money. I don't have the money. I want to buy the sniper, but I don't have the money. That's what I'm trying to. Once I reach to at least 10,000.
Jack,
I could buy it.
Sakura, Jack told me to tell you to buy a sniper rifle. You should buy
I
a
can s-
sniper rifle.
I can see he's typing.
Okay, sorry. I thought you were distracted. Sorry. Sorry.
Bloody.
Which gun should I go for, Jack? Everybody goes to Jack for gun advice. Jack, which gun should I go for? I have the hammer, I have a submachine gun, I have an assault rifle, I have the pump action shotgun, the juggernaut, bolt action rifle.
Yes, Amy's joining. Yeah.
You're joining? Seriously? Oh, Amy, join. Okay, hold on. Here's what we're gonna do.
Okay, Vloggy, I am undressing you with my eyes.
Shut up. Wait a second. Wait. She's joining the game.
Yes, Amy said I'm joining, setting up.
Okay.
Bad girl attitude. We rock. We
Yes. Good. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna increase the channel with one more slot so she can join. 4 users. Done. Okay. There's one. I made room for her to join the Discord chat. Vloggy lobby. All right. So shall we wait for her then?
Yeah, just wait.
Okay.
Jack. Okay, I know the weapon. I plan to buy the sniper gun. The reason is I don't have enough money. That's why I'm like literally working with you guys. Just like,
That's all right, Allah. Sorry to hear. Sorry to hear not
it's okay,
feeling well.
Allah Naim Shaka. Did I say that right?
I don't know. First sniper rifle is free, girl. He said.
Free? Really? It did.
Mm.
Maybe I'm using the. Okay, I'll wait for the next round because I just got out. I mean, I clicked continue. So
I'm gonna go with the hammer this time. Select. Is she online? Hold on. Can I invite her? Squad. I'm gonna invite her. She's not online yet. Is she? No, she's not online yet. Let's wait for her for a bit.
Okay, since we're waiting for
Yeah?
Amy.
You're gonna
okay, so
embarrass me? You're gonna say stuff to embarrass me?
No.
True!
Okay,
True is here as well! True is here as well! True, would you like to join the Discord? You can't join the game, but you would like to join the Discord as well.
Okay, give Amy the. Okay, let me give Amy your Discord. Hold on.
She's in my Discord. She is in my Discord. No, is she?
No.
Oh, she's
Oh,
not.
wait, let me see.
Oh, she isn't.
Wait,
No,
wait.
that's strange.
Let me have.
Can you invite her,
the-
or should I? Can you invite her?
Let me do it.
Okay. True. Do you want to join us on Discord? You can't join the game, but you can join the conversation.
Amy, get it.
Yes, True is gonna join the Discord as well.
Oh my lord.
This is gonna be so funny. It's gonna be confusion, I think, but it's gonna be funny. Let's do this. Okay, let me just add the channel one more time. And 4 users becomes 5 users. I don't think I ever had this many users on on
Okay,
the voice
Bobby?
chat. Yeah?
Okay, I am gonna embarrass myself. Not just for giggles.
Okay.
If you ever come to New York, we're
Uh-oh.
gonna hang out. Let's say we're gonna hang out and have fun, sightseeing, stuff like that. Remember, you have to look down because I am really short.
Really? Oh, because I'm very tall, you know that? I'm not very tall, I'm kidding. I'm not tall. I'm not tall.
Hey, if I reach your waist, I am that high.
Okay, good. Yeah, you know what they say? Good things come in small packages.
Ooh la la.
That's what they say.
Tra-la-la.
That's what they say. All right.
Yeah.
So,
Hey, I'm a fun little tiny package.
you're a fun little tiny package. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check if Amy's still offline. Amy, come on! Help me, please!
I gave Amy the invitation, so I'm just waiting for her.
Okay.
Come on, Amy! Come on, Amy!
Funny thing is, I'm the taller of all three. Yeah, probably.
Who's taller?
Amy is online. Amy is now online. I'm just gonna give her a sec to load the game up, and then I'll invite her.
Yay!
So yeah, no, I'm not very tall. No, I'm not tall. It's not very tall is an understatement. Who's here? Who is this? Who is this? We have an intruder.
Amy!
I keep hearing myself though. I keep echoing through Amy's voice chat.
Who is this?
Can you hear me?
Yes, but we keep hearing ourselves through your microphone, I think. Hello.
I can't hear you. Hang on a second. I've probably done something.
Okay, now I can hear you just fine. But earlier you were...
Are you back?
Can you hear me?
Because...
Yeah, I can hear you, Sakura. Mwah.
Oh, there we are. Ah! My God, I'm bugging in!
Alright, I may have to lower the volume now because it's gonna get loud. Hold on. Where's True? Is he gonna join us, True? True? Are you gonna join us in the... Yeah, he said give me a sec. Alright, we'll give you a sec.
Send me an invite then.
I'm gonna send you an invite. Here it comes.
I'm
you
so
you
sorry.
sods, I'm meant to be sleeping.
Yeah, what's all this? Come on.
Yeah, what's the matter, Amy?
I mean, we're happy that you're joining us because it's awesome having you with us. But I'm scared. I'm scared that you might miss...
Oh, let's do this, guys. Let's
Ooh!
kill zombies together.
Drew is here! This is awesome.
We're all here!
I guess you'll get to hear my accent.
Oh yeah, I've actually never heard. Oh wait, no, actually, I've never heard Sakura before. Hey, where's Jackhammer? Why is he only chatting?
Because Jackhammer's microphone is bought from like one of those pound shops and it doesn't work now.
Oh, Jack is a cheapskate. Got it.
We're kidding. I don't know, but his microphone's not working.
Okay.
I'm gonna post my Discord right now if anybody wants to join.
No, we're too crowded. Wait, hold
No,
on.
no,
True?
Discord. No, not the voice Discord. I mean just the Discord.
okay.
Hold on a second. How do I don't even know how to do this. Invite
Do you
people.
want me to do it?
Copy.
No.
That's it. This is how it's done. No, hold on. V.
Okay.
Okay, that's my Discord if anybody wants to join. But not the not the voice Discord now. We're 5 people in the house. All right.
True.
Yes.
All
How
right.
you doing?
So okay. So
Oh, no. How you doing?
how you doing? I wish
I'm not true.
I wish
I'm
Drew
a
could
plug.
join us. I wish Drew could join us in this game. You and your PC master race.
Yeah, I know. Why don't you guys get working computers, please, instead of these ancient consoles?
Ancient
Hey,
consoles.
I have a 1995 PC. I'm running Windows 95.
You're rocking that Windows 95. That's pretty cutting edge.
Yeah. All right, let's roll.
All right, let's go. Oh wow! Instead of 5 seconds, now it gave us 20 seconds before it starts the round. That's weird. Oh, okay, it switched to 5 right away. That's weird. It started from 20 and then it switched to 5. That's weird. Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be funny because I'll hear you guys, but I had to mute the stream, so I'll hear you way before stuff happens on stream.
I'm gonna be like, ouch, 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 and then like 5 seconds, 6 seconds later, you see me die.
Like, oh, that's why.
Oh man.
Oh my God, True, you are 3 hours behind me.
Oh,
Yeah.
am I? Wait, it's 8 o'clock over there?
Yeah, I'm on the east side.
East side?
Yep, in the East Coast.
It's 2:14 a.m. over here. 2:14 a.m. over here, and it's
Damn, dang.
1:14
it's
over here. I should
1:14.
be asleep.
You should be asleep. You shouldn't be long.
Yeah.
Oh, look at McKnight. PC Master Race for the win. That's what's up. I like McKnight now.
Yeah. Oh man.
I try my best to get emulator, but it's too much work.
It is a lot of work, the PS2 emulator, and to get the Outbreak working.
Oh yeah,
Console.
it's fun.
Yeah, true. Get a
Amy's
console.
like a computer hacker. How she got that to work? That's even worse.
Yeah, you know what the best part is? She hacked the PS3 and she managed to get it running and all that work, and now she's bored of the game.
Yeah, I mean, right as we're about to move on to the second game, she's like,
Yeah, yeah.
whatever, I got my cup of tea, I'm done here.
I got my cup of tea.
Fuck up.
Cabbage.
You cabbage.
All right.
Yeah, take that piss out of me, mate.
Yes, we're a full team now. Look at us. Look at us. We're a full team. No AI. No AI. It's just us.
All right. I'm ahead of my game.
You know the best part
Well, you
is
have-
I'm no
You have
longer the
Amy,
worst.
That might be like AI.
I'm no longer the worst player in this game now. There's Sakura.
Hey, don't look at me. I'm level 1. Gosh, little boy.
Let's see. Whoever gets the worst grade rank at the end of this session is a loser.
Somebody has to eat a habanero pepper. Somebody has to
Oh,
eat a habanero
dang.
pepper.
Oh yeah, this week I'm gonna have like 90% of my desk set up, so I should be able to stream from my new setup. And yes, I'll do a face cam with a Quiplash session, and we'll do a habanero session. Why not? Why not?
You gotta put me in the title.
Oh, let's put Amy
not
in.
giving Amy
Okay,
billing.
okay. You guys watch my back while I change the title, okay? I'm kidding. I'm not gonna change the title for now. Let's get rid of zombies.
Burn on Amy. She totally thought he was gonna do it.
Yeah, I wanted her to watch my back for the time being. Okay, hold on. What? Am I out of ammo already? What the?
I
What?
haven't played this for a while, so I'm like,
Yeah, last time I played it was with you.
I'm level 98, but no.
I'm switching my gun to this. What level are you, Amy? 98.
Yeah,
Fire
I'm
in the
level
hole.
98.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna pick up the herbage.
I
Oh,
played it a lot.
somebody snagged this herbage already. Ah, who took the herbage? Was it you, True? Oh wait.
I might have had a few herbages while you guys weren't looking.
Oh man.
I need ammo. I need some ammo.
I need the
a
herb.
herb.
I need the herb.
Ammo is for suckers, alright?
I'm not going to make it.
Fire in the hole.
Hold on. I need to find time to change the title now. Because it's
But
annoying
with
me.
Sakura, Jackhammer,
wrong
and
button.
definitely not Amy.
Alright, I'm getting drift. I'm getting drift.
They're gonna be like, "This is clickbait. You said there was no Amy here, and there she is."
Damn right. No Amy here. What's wrong with you, boy?
Kaboom! Like that, we do it.
Ammo. I'm so naked. I need ammo.
Oh, whoa. People get naked in this. Vloggy, turn to the naked person.
Where's Sakura? Sakura, where are you?
Look
There's-
now,
No,
immediately.
no, seriously, where's Sakura? Oh, there she is. I'm gonna stay with you in the corner.
No, lies.
I need ammo. I don't know where to get ammo.
Yo, man up and punch those zombies.
Yeah, you can punch them actually. Yes, I'm gonna punch. Look,
Go
look.
downstairs.
Hold on, let me see if Ooh, this guy fainted on his own, unless somebody shot him.
Help me, please.
I'm gonna punch a zombie like this.
Oh, I'm gonna see that in like 15 seconds. Hold on, I gotta wait to see this punch.
I punched the zombie. I punched one. I'm gonna punch him again.
I believe you. Oh, there it is. Oh, I just saw you knock him down now. Oh, this time warp is funny.
Fire in the hole.
Fire on hole! Jack, we miss you. Where are you? I mean, we don't miss your action because it's full of action here. My gun is empty. What the heck?
Is Jack playing?
Yeah, Jackhammer's playing with us.
Oh. Tell Jackhammer to invest $10 into a working microphone.
Yeah, come on. Let's let's
Any ammo
Oh,
up here?
Surex are on the real alpha team. Oh yeah, you guys are the A team.
Yes, we are the
Let's see.
Where are my friends? Everyone's gone. Where are my friends?
Vloggy, you're
I'm on my
Hannibal
own.
for sure.
I'm on my own. Hannibal.
Oh, Vloggy's on his own.
It's
Oh,
true.
I
Where'd
think we
everybody
plugged it
go?
back.
Where'd everybody go?
We need to find the black key card.
That sounds like an Amy move, leaving Vloggy to die.
These chicks don't even know the name of my band. But they're all on me like they wanna hold hands.
Some ammo anywhere? I need some ammo.
Okay, I'm out of ammo too.
Well, that was a good American accent you did there, Amy.
I don't know. I come out with random shit. You should know that by now.
I'm a lead singer in my band. I get down.
Hi, how are
Wait.
you? Whoa!
Get out of my way!
Hunter.
I'm gonna fucking you.
I'm a lead singer in my band. I get all the girls to take off their underpants. Sakura,
Damn,
are you sleeping?
Ammo. I haven't got anything.
I'm lost. You
Everybody's out of ammo, I think. Where's Jack? Let's just hang out with Jack. He just shoot them by him.
We need
$5
ammo.
says Jackhammer's been stealing all the ammo.
Where's Jack?
I found ammo.
What? What? Liquors? Liquors?
I'm just going around picking it up off the floor.
I'm out of ammo. Completely out of ammo.
I found some.
Oh,
It's
I
behind
just
me.
I
There's a
just
box
kicked
box.
a liquor in midair. That was so awesome.
There is a box over here.
The
There's
kick-
a box
I
in the
died.
toilet.
I can't wait to see this kick in a minute.
Yeah, there was a liquor jumping, and I just kicked them in midair. That was so awesome. Then I died.
Oh,
I
I've just
saw
I've
that.
just been thrown up on.
Oh, and then you got totally murdered by them. That was less cool.
Oh man. Now Sakura's gonna die. Sakura's gonna die. I'm watching you, Sakura.
Wait.
You're gonna die, and she
Wait
died.
there! No, be careful! Oh, no.
guys, there's so many tongues. So many tongues.
It's
the
true.
hell? Why
So
are you
many
dead?
times.
So many
It's like
times.
hanging out with Vloggy. There's just so much tongue.
So much tongue. Isn't that what you wanted, Sakura?
Because I got no ammo and I got
Why are you all dead?
If somebody
Oh
would,
my god,
if
that's a lot of liquors.
if somebody revives us, that would be great, please. Like,
I
Don't worry,
will
I'm
when I
coming,
get
guys.
away.
I'm coming. Don't worry.
truth's coming. I was
Don't
out of
worry
ammo
about
too. Wow, Jack was out of
wait,
ammo
wait.
too.
everybody's dead but Amy? What? in the
What?
world?
What?
Oh,
Really?
you guys are screwed.
Yeah,
Ghost
dead,
Hunter.
dead.
If Ghost
Dead.
Hunter's dead, we're doomed.
Yeah.
If
Yeah, I'm
Jack,
dead.
Alright, whose idea to come in a room full of liquors?
I think it was Jack. We're all following Jack.
That sounds like something Jack would do. It's like, don't worry, I have an
It's Jack's
M16A2
fault.
with
It's his fault.
7.62 caliber rounds.
Right.
Ammo,
Yeah.
ammo, ammo.
Okay, I'm just. Why am I following Amy? I should be following Jack.
I'm following Jack. I'm following
Let's just follow Jack. Let's just follow Jack, and we'll have his back at the end of the day. So, what's
Oh,
he
that
doing?
rhymes. Let's just follow Jack. We have his back.
Yeah, let's have Jack's back. Jack. I lost him already. It's so dark in here.
The final hope. Is every level so dark? Yeah, basically.
Okay, now I'm following Sakura. Sakura. Now that
Damn!
we're here in the
I'm
dark.
wrecked.
Ooh, look at the.
Ivan, your Nightfall is here.
When are we gonna play some Outbreak through?
I told you, man. I'm off Tuesday, Wednesday. This coming up. Let's hit it.
Wednesday. Yeah, we can go Wednesday actually. Yes. What time Wednesday? Your time. Give me your time, and I'll convert it to my time.
I mean, I'm free all day, but I mean, I still go to. I have to go to sleep early because I work the next day. So probably morning would be the best. It doesn't have to be super early my time, but it can be because I'm up early anyway.
Right. I need a herb.
So maybe, I don't know. Give me a time. It's fine. Whatever do you think is best? I mean, for me.
I mean, I'll be up. I can be up and ready to go like 6 a.m. But if you want to sleep or whatever, that's fine. We can do 8 a.m. 10 a.m.
Your
whatever.
6 a.m. would be 3 p.m. my time. So for me, it's fine.
Okay, yeah.
You sure? Okay, so it's
I'm up.
awesome. Okay, we're gonna start.
I would love to see you guys play.
We're gonna start Outbreak File 2. It's so good.
Yeah.
I would love to see you guys play because at 9 a.m. for him, I mean 9 a.m. for me and 6 a.m. for him. So that would be great for me to watch.
Oh
you
yeah,
guys
that
play.
works out.
Sound good.
That's fantastic. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Get ready for a zombie elephant.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Sounds like something that's gonna kill me, like those stupid zombie sharks.
No more sharks. No, we're gonna deal with alligators. We're gonna deal with parrots, zombie parrots,
Oh Jesus.
hyenas, tigers. I think there's.
Ivan Brankonovic. Yes, I am from the U.S. If you could tell from my. Now I'm British. I'm British, mate. I've been putting on a American accent. I like cups of tea, and I like the Queen.
I'm gonna kick you in the bollocks.
I'm gonna kick you in the bollocks. I
I
love.
like my bollocks where they are.
I like that. Oh man, so funny.
Okay.
Now I want. Now I would like Amy to give us a true impression. Come on.
Yeah, Amy never does my impression. I always ask.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. I'm just going to the toilet. I'm gonna have a wank.
What? Oh my god. You used some British terminology in there, but yes, yes, I like it. I'm just gonna go to the toilet and have a wank.
Toilet.
I say that all the time, actually.
Now I'm going to do an impression of me. It's me, Vloggy.
It's me, Vlogio.
Vlogio. Oh man, look at Crimson Heads. Crimson Heads. Crimson Heads. This is the only other.
Which
I
one's
died.
Vloggy and which one's me?
My goodness. There's Crimson Heads here. This is the only other game that there's Crimson Heads in. That's like,
Oh, I can't.
man, I panicked. Where are they?
Oh, those
Son
are
of a
Crimson
biscuit.
Heads.
Son
Bitch
of a
you good.
biscuit.
Oh, he
Oh,
bit you real
come on.
good.
Who's infected? I'm infected. Oh no, I'm infected. I'm gonna be a zombie very soon, guys. Does anybody
Vloggy,
have?
you need to
Vloggy,
get
run out.
tested, alright?
Yeah,
You can't
come
just
here.
have... You have to wear
Stay.
protection when you do that sort of
Thank
thing.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
God, you panic way too much, man.
It's true. I do. I do panic. I agree. I do panic. It's true. I wish I didn't, but I do. I'm out of ammo.
What is how you
Why is your vision all crazy, Vloggy?
Yeah, because I was infected. That's why.
Oh.
We're good now. We're good. We're good.
question? How do you heal? Like
Okay, we need to find a way to get. We need to find a way to get to Jack. He's up there.
Not strong.
How's
Amy,
that
that's
song?
hilarious that you did that because I was singing that song at work today, actually.
Wow, weird.
That's so strange.
Oh yeah, Mac Knight can join us as well with Outbreak. Yeah, we can have Mac Knight join us as well.
Ah.
Nice.
not going
Ah, Nikolai, I will sneeze all over you.
What did that bullet just drill through the glass? What just happened?
Yeah.
Is
Vloggy, don't
Yeah,
spoil
well,
it.
it was
I'm
that
not there
strong
yet.
it went through the glass.
Okay.
Amy, I got one better. I will sneeze through all the two guys. I'd rather not say it.
Is Sakura gonna sneeze on us? What just happened?
Oh, look at Nikolai! Look at Nikolai
Walk away from that,
walking
like,
away
oh,
from the
oh,
explosion in slow mo.
I'll
Oh
bone it.
man.
Oh man.
Nikolai walking away from the
so
explosion
cool.
in slow mo. That's good. That's good. All right,
If
so
you don't walk away in slow mo, you're
Why
not.
am I on fire already?
Because we are inside the building. We have to get out of here very fast. Mamma mia! It's very fire here.
Thinking, oh no. Oh, you guys all survived that giant helicopter explosion. Man, you guys are tough.
Yes, we are made of steel.
Right, let's go! Let's get out of here! Come on, soldiers!
Come on, soldiers. We're gonna do
Who's
this.
in charge of this unit?
Oh, shoot. What am I gonna shoot with? I'm out of ammo. I got nothing to shoot with. I'm just gonna kick zombies.
Oh, I like when you those zombies.
These fucking things. Ah,
Somebody-
Oh my god, they killed me!
Liquor got you, eh? Oh, I'm never gonna.
God.
Whoa.
These zombies are all
whoa.
6s and 7s.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I think did I die? Did I die? I'm on the floor. Oh yeah, I died. I died.
Oh, I'm from California. That's all you need to know.
I tried to melee a Crimson Head, but he's too fast. He's too strong. Who's still up? Who's still up? Ghost Hunter's down. Oh my goodness. Amy's down. Sakura's on her own. Sakura's on her own. Look at Sakura. And she's down. And she's down.
Sakura.
I hate you guys. I was on the touchdown.
Oh man. All right. So a helicopter crashed and killed us, but a few lickers and a few Walking Dead killed us. Not good.
Well, yeah, that's copywritten. You can't say The Walking Dead.
Walking Dead.
All personnel must evacuate.
All personnel must evacuate.
All the personnel must evacuate.
all the personnel.
Oh, I laughed so much. You know DC Douglas, the guy who voices Wesker? There was somebody who tweeted at him this week because he was playing Resident Evil 0. And you know how in Resident Evil 0 there's Wesker mode? But Wesker mode only replaces the texture of Billy. You play as Wesker, but it's still the voice is still by what's his name? You know, Billy's voice. It's Wesker, but with Billy's voice. Now, when you run into Billy the first time, he says, "Been fantasizing about me, have you?" He says, "You've been fantasizing about me, have you?" And he's like, he's like, I'm so disappointed that
Logging.
I didn't get to hear Wesker say that in his voice. So DC Douglas
Okay.
made a tweet. He says, "Been fantasizing about me, have
Okay,
you?"
let's try it. Let's go on.
Been fantasizing about me, have you?
Oh.
All right, let's go.
Says on you, Bloggy. I've been fantasizing. Like,
Oh, hunters! Hunters! Hunters in this game! I forgot there's hunters in this game!
Hunters.
My
Oh,
goodness.
watch it, dead mines, dead mines.
Hunters in this game, I forgot. I completely forgot there's this. Oh my
Watch
goodness.
the mine. I'm on fire.
I'm on fire! Shoot! Ah, he's down. He's down.
Yeah, I'm a
he's down.
vlog. Yeah, I need help.
Is this how he dies? He just stands there? Okay. Is there gonna be another one? Oh, another one. Take this!
Shoot Amy
Damn
in
it.
the back.
I'll go
Is
for it.
friendly fire on?
He just took off. Okay. Oh my goodness, another one. Oh my goodness, I'm on fire. Literally.
Did you even tweet out the stream?
No, I didn't today. Oops. No, I didn't. I forgot.
They're gonna die, you know.
Don't worry, I'm gonna take care of that situation.
Oh, thank you, True. I love you, buddy. Okay, are we done? Can we get out of here?
come on, hurry, hurry.
Are we all here?
Hurry, you wanna
Come on, go! The door's open. Out. And the door, the building is gonna blow up. Raccoon City Hospital. Ah, from RE3. Oh, we're out. And
Right.
I threw a grenade by mistake. Sorry.
Wait, do I have Sakura?
You trying to kill us? You.
Wait, Sakura.
Yeah.
Your Fox ZFC?
Yeah.
Check it.
Yes. How can I?
Yeah! I forget what.
No, this is how you guys do it.
La 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 bamba.
I can't do it.
La 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 bamba.
There we go.
I just sounded like Bosco then.
Okay, Bloggy.
What?
You're killing me, my mojo.
Okay.
It is.
Bamba.
Vloggy, why do you have to kill my mojo?
Oh man. I love that Family Guy episodes.
She needs a mojo, baby.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, baby, do I make you horny, baby?
Do I make you horny, baby?
What the?
Why? What? Who's dead?
Oh my goodness, so many zombies! What the heck is going on here?
Who
No!
threw a grenade at me?
No!
Okay, why am I by myself with all these zombies? What's going on? Please go after Amy. Please go after Amy. Jack is down. We're dead. Jack is
Gotta
down.
get Jack! Gotta get Jack!
Okay, I revived him. He's up. Gotta get Jack. Gotta go fast. Gotta get Jack. There's no quick turn in this game. Why no quick turn?
It sucks, doesn't it?
It's so awesome that I was playing the DS version of Resident Evil 1 today, and there's quick turn. You can actually play, do quick turn on a Resident Evil 1 game.
Oh, that would make so much difference.
Yes.
Wouldn't it?
It's so good. You should try it, Amy. You should really try it. You like challenges. Try Resident Evil on the DS.
I'm not using that crappy emulator. That looks shit.
It's not crappy. It's really good. The
Oh,
emulator
you
is really
said
good.
you had problems with the touchscreen things because you didn't have a touch.
Doggy looks like
Yeah,
shy.
but you have to think outside the
True.
box.
Really?
I'm gonna fucking hack your account if you don't be careful.
Is Sapphire here? Everybody's saying hello to Sapphire. Oh, hello, Sapphire.
Oh,
Sorry.
hey, Sapphire.
It's a party tonight.
That staff is on fire.
That stuff is on fire.
Stuff is on fire.
Guys, I have bad news. Guys, I have bad news. I ran out of wine.
Oh,
Oh no. Now what?
it's time for the hard stuff.
That's my mojo. Oh my goodness,
Oh, I
Crimson
need
Heads!
to go.
You're welcome, Amy. I just saved you from a Crimson Head.
Oh, thank you. But I didn't need your help.
Yeah, I think you did. Oh my goodness, 3 of them! Run!
Loggy, it's time for shots every time Amy dies. I'm gonna get you wasted in about 5 minutes here.
I'm just chasing Jack. Jack, wait up! Jack is being chased by like 3, 5, by 5
Jack, use
Crimson
your
Heads.
superior gun knowledge to shoot them.
On fire.
Help me, please! Please help me! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I'm done. I'm done. No, I'm not done. Come on. Come on. I'm glitching.
Now, where are you? Where are you?
I'm
Oh, I have to wait to see this glitch because I'm in a time warp.
okay. Oh wow.
Nikolai, hi.
Nikolai saved me. This.
I would be stuck in a lot with you.
Oh,
Hey,
oh,
Final,
oh. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Sabi.
I'm dead. I'm dead. GG.
Ah, you cabbages!
Wait, is it Sakura's birthday?
No, is it? No.
I
Is
need
it?
a hurt.
She would say.
I don't know.
She would make a big
Ivan
deal.
just said so.
Oh, oh, oh.
Sakura, is it your birthday?
No, it's not, is it? Sakura died.
Right, is everybody awake now?
What do we do? I forgot. Do we
Sakura.
do we shoot Nikolai?
Yeah, we have to shoot him. We have to.
I'm gonna shoot him.
Sakura's watching the Oscars right now. I don't think she's playing anymore.
Oh, I think I got him. Oh, I think I got him again.
Look, who the hell is throwing me grenades?
Not me. No, it's not me.
I'm throwing them into thingy.
Okay,
Throwing them
I
at you to help.
think I shot him enough, guys. It's up to you now. I shot him way too much.
Oh, he's burning. Oh my god, Deanne. Oh, it's
Right,
so
he's rang the
violent.
bell. He's sending some of these twats out.
I'm gonna shoot some zombies now. I shot Nikolai enough.
I got the rifle. I got the
Something
rifle.
about a twat.
This game has auto aim. I cannot understand. Does this game have auto aim? Sometimes it feels like it.
Nah, this game doesn't have auto aim. It
Sometimes-
has assisted aim, I think.
Yeah,
it does,
that's
'cause
it.
you
Yes,
get the
that's what I mean.
console
Yes.
Scrubs. You're not PC Master Race.
Okay, well, what are we doing?
True. Who's shooting? Oh, Ghost Hunter, of course. Oh, watch out! Watch out! Grenade! Grenade!
Hey, did anybody actually watch that last Resident Evil movie?
Which? No, the final chapter or something. What's it called?
The hopefully final chapter.
Yeah, the hopefully final chapter. Good one.
Please
no,
God be the final chapter.
I haven't watched it. No, I'm looking forward for the one in May, the one Vendetta. It looks so good with Chris Redfield.
Oh
and-
yeah, yeah,
That looks really good. That's the one I'm looking forward to.
yeah. I saw that trailer.
Last night,
Ammo. Need
last
some ammo.
he's ringing the bell, so he attracts zombies. My goodness.
Oh, what a jerk.
Yeah, he's ringing the bell on purpose. Yes. Yep. There they come. I love this game. It's fun. I mean, it's fun. It's not an excellent game, but it's fun when you play it with friends.
Oh, I thought I was friends with Sakura. How am I not? Okay, follow.
Oh my goodness, Crimson Heads! I hate you! Go away! My goodness, they're so fast and strong.
I'm following you, Sakura. You better accept me.
Okay, don't worry. I'll follow. You can follow me anytime you want, baby.
Oh.
Oh, no. Right, we got some frag grenades for this motherfucker.
Alright, I'm coming. I'm gonna start shooting at
Whoa.
Nikolai very soon. I'm gonna start shooting at Nikolai again. I'm tired of
Look
shooting
up.
zombies.
British insults. Hold on.
British insults incoming. Get out, get out, get out, grenade!
Oh, let's see. 10 British insults Americans won't understand.
Not a priority.
There we go. Let's go.
Are you looking at something?
No, I'm watching the stream. Don't be silly.
Are you looking at an article so you can actually...
We're all
so
like,
funny.
Ah, we go Aussie here. Let's shrimps our bobbies and put bobbies on the shrimps.
Oh man. Alright, I think we're done. I think we did
Get the
this.
strip of the Bobby.
Oh wow! Resident Evil
no.
Resident Evil 3 areas. I like this.
Saf is all about that.
Oh
Sakura.
wow! Wow! This zombie just turned into a Crimson Head right in front of my face. Whoa! Run!
That webpage isn't loading.
Everybody's so quiet right now. What's going on? Why is everybody quiet? Wake
Oh,
up.
don't worry, guys. I'm
Wake
shooting
up,
them.
everyone.
Yeah.
Sakura, wake up.
Hey, no, I'm listening. I'm sniping.
Sniping.
Sniping. Yeah, let's put quotes around that. Snipe.
I was gonna say the same thing. I was gonna say the exact same thing. Hey you! Hey you! Why are you running away? I saw you with a gun shooting. Ooh.
Why the hell is it?
Ooh, Amy, GG. You went right behind them and took him out. Whose controller is that? Tick, 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 tick.
Yeah, really. Calm down.
Easy, you're gonna break it.
I need heal.
Yeah, I think
Are you
most
alright?
of us need
Alright.
heal.
Even me, I need heal. Yeah, you need heal. I'm worse off than you are. I'm worse off than you are, Sakura.
Yeah, dun, dun.
Oh, Amy's just a little Billy now, mate.
True.
Ooh, who was that? Who you used first aid spray? Somebody healed me. Thank you.
No one healed me. Oh yeah, they did. Yeah.
You buggers.
Oh, sir.
Follow Jack the Rabbit. Follow Jack the
Da,
Yeah.
da, 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 da.
Disable the generators. Okay, we got this.
Think?
Disable the
Think
generators.
is a British insult? I thought we did that.
He's googling British insults. Oh, you. I found the generator, but I think
Where is Jack? Where is Jack? Jack? Where is he? Get your
What?
fucking here, bloody. Get your
What accent is that?
I don't know. Oh my goodness, this is not a good one. This is not an easy one. But I think Jack got this. If we all take one generator each, one for Sakura, one for Amy, one for Jack, I'll just walk around.
Okay, we're talking. What is the generator?
I don't even know what they look like.
I don't know how that any idea.
What's going on? Where do we go? I don't even know what's supposed to... Okay, I'm just gonna fall. Whoa, these zombies are chasing someone.
Okay, we'll put one in a blood frenzy, so that's good. What? Get off me, zombie.
Okay, that's one generator. I see the sparks and everything. What do I do? What do I do? I'm right next to the generator. What do I do? Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, they're like pushing me away from the generator. The zombies, they're intelligent. Okay, I placed the bomb, I think. Raise the second generator. Alright, so first you have to raise it. How do you raise the generator?
I got the second one. I got the second one.
You raised it or you placed a bomb? Okay, somebody raised it. I'm gonna place a bomb. Okay, I placed an EMP. Raise the third generator. Somebody raised the third generator.
I got it.
Okay, hold on. Oh, I'm infected. Does anybody have...
Yeah, I'm infected as well.
I'm empty.
Oh, wait, I'm a zombie now.
Oh,
I'm a zombie now. I'm gonna attack the...
I have to use this more. Amy, I'm just taking the piss.
This is so awesome. I'm a zombie. I'm attacking the bad guys. That's so awesome.
Yep. I'm dead.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I became zombie food.
Are we all dead?
It's rubbish.
It looks like it. Okay.
Yep.
Wow, we have to all start over.
We
Okay.
all did it.
Start over. Disable the generators. I'm gonna follow Ghost
Oh,
Hunter.
bollocks.
Oh, blimey. I like to watch Ashens. Does anybody watch Ashens? A YouTuber. He reviews crap stuff. Okay, anyway, he just sits on the couch. Well, you don't see him actually. He's just on the couch, and he just buys stuff from Poundland, and he just reviews them. It's so funny. Did somebody place a bomb on this one already?
Yeah, I did. Don't worry about it.
I think you did. It says there's a note left here. Somebody left a note. Says, okay, it is. Placed
F you,
by
hard
Joe.
crew.
I died. I was very inefficient in this one. Okay, do not, guys, do not revive me for now, because I'm gonna go get some wine. Be right back.
Okay.
Leave me to die.
Loggy, you said you're out of wine. I demand you turn to hard alcohol.
No, I ran out of the glass right now. So I'm gonna get another bottle. Be right back.
Alright, I'll be Vloggy while Vloggy's gone, guys. Oh, guys, come on. Revive me. Amy, do you know what you're doing?
Well. Ah!
Oh, oh. Oh, you revived me and I'm not back yet. Oh no! Oh no!
Okay, I'm back, but do not revive me just yet because I'm going to.
Oh, they already did the Vloggy. You're lying.
Because I need to edit the. I'm gonna edit the stream because I still haven't added Amy's name to the stream. Sorry.
They got you killed again, man.
Hold on.
I'm dead.
What? I'm alive.
Because of Vloggy, we don't dead. This is injustice. Motherfucker.
EMP charges on the generator. Knock out the power grid.
Whoa. Somebody's getting knifed by some Spec Op team.
Alright, we're good.
Spec Ops.
Blimey.
Okay, sorry about this. And I've been looking at chat much. I feel like I'm neglecting people in chat. Sorry. Okay, so where's my controller? There it is. I'm back.
Control.
I'm back. Raise the second generator. I'm coming, guys. You're gonna finish the game now that I'm here. Okay? You got
Yeah,
this.
don't worry.
Plant an EMP
Don't
on the
worry,
second
Vloggy's
generator.
here.
I'm coming, guys. Okay? I got
I'm
this.
bleeding.
I
Shit.
got this. I got this. Oh, somebody already placed an EMP on this one.
Hey, Mr. Moore.
Somebody.
Hey, Ivan. I hope. Hi, Final. I'm Final. Final. Final.
I'm bleeding. God dang
Funnel?
it. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. I forgot. Are you streaming, Amy, or not?
No, I'm not streaming.
I'm infected. God dang it.
Vloggy. You're dirty. You gotta wear protection,
Yes,
man.
but at least shut up. But at least I placed the last EMP before I turned, so good. But now the lights are going out.
Code.
Power grid's down. Our job's done.
You see, so they were responsible for blacking out Raccoon City.
Those bastards in the dark.
A bunch of jerks.
Okay, so what are your grades? What did you guys get? What are your grades? I got a C.
I got an S
an
rank.
Hmm?
I got an A.
Okay, what about you?
Two
Sam?
S's.
You bastard, I got a B.
No, seriously? Oh, come on.
Vloggy, did you get the worst grade?
You guys are lying. You guys are lying.
Let's say Amy's lying for sure.
No, they're not lying. Ghost Hunters first. No, actually, hold on. Yes, Ghost Hunters first. Oh, it's gone. Never mind. But I was the last. Yes, I was the last.
Dang, Vloggy, that
No,
score.
hang on. In
is
my
bad.
defense,
There's no defense.
You're gone half the time.
I was gone. I was getting wine, and I was editing the name of the stream.
No excuse for wine. No.
That's the wine defense.
I leave my friends behind, getting killed by zombies, so that I can get some wine.
It was a team effort. So, Vloggy got an S too, alright?
All right. So, do I have enough money?
And so did I. Because I'm on the
Look,
team.
Amy is level 98. Amy is better than Jackhammer.
Jesus.
Whoa. So I think we've been Sakura. I think we've been doing this wrong. I think we shouldn't be following Jack around. We should be following Amy.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. So
You can't trust Ghost. He's a cross-dresser.
Mr.
alright?
Moore is
You gotta
like,
be careful there.
it's 1:47 a.m. Who streams at that time of morning? Me. It's almost 3
Yeah.
a.m. It's me.
Someone who works night shift and is used to being up that late.
It's me. I just got up actually.
Yeah?
I took a nap. I took like a 2-hour nap.
Wait, did you work and then just took a 2-hour nap?
No, I was off all day. I was doing
Oh.
stuff, going out, and then I streamed. Then I took a nap, and then I woke up, and I'm streaming again.
Hey.
All right, let's go.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Alright then, let's go then, innit?
Let's go, innit?
Hey!
There we go.
Oh, what eh?
Hold on, I
Jack
need to get a
Sparrow,
cuppa.
I need to get a cuppa.
Do you?
I've not had one since I've
Oh, two
moved out
cuppas.
of bed. I was going to sleep.
I will
And I seen you and I was like, oh.
We are
like
such
one guy down.
such a bad influence. We are such a bad influence.
Man, you such
terrible.
Who is the bad influence? Is it me or is it Sakura? Or is it like the power of two?
wait a minute. I'm not a bad influence.
Yes, you
I,
are.
I'm the honey that draws the bee here. Okay, okay.
What?
The honey that draws the bee. Hey, Red.
Oh, that's evil. That's way worse than being a bad influence.
Hold on.
So,
Whoa.
Red Rooster was saying, my final words before I die. My last words before I die, I want them to be, I hit $1 million in the... And then I die.
Oh,
I know. I had to. Let me dissect Vloggy, and I gotta cut one part apart and keep it for the charm.
What?
Oh.
You gonna make a
Are you gonna
necklace?
take his ear as a trophy?
No. I think she needs some dumbbells, some weights.
Oh, okay. If you eat his heart, you gain his courage.
Yes. I want
Oh,
his
we're
heart.
going to the Raccoon Police Department. My favorite place of all
Oh,
time.
good. I'm sure they're doing all right.
Oh, I love this. I love this so much. Nemesis.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. For all of you that are here, don't forget to subscribe and hit a like. If you want to donate to Mr. Vloggy and company, do so.
Oh, thank you.
Look at Sakura.
Thank you.
For more fun, for more fun.
For
Like the
multimedia
Vloggy.
pictures,
All of
subscribe
us
to
here.
Vloggy.
If you want more fun, all of us here.
Check out
make
what
leave a comment
Jack
below.
just said. He's like Sakura fangirlism in 3, 2, 1. This is my favorite command. Is Nightbot still up? This is my favorite Nightbot command.
Hold on,
Check
hold
this
on,
out.
hold on.
Hey, what's super chat?
Alright, so we're very close to the Raccoon Police Department right now, so we need to get there.
What's to send a super chat? Oh, it's money.
It's money. To send money.
I hate this new setup. It is total garbage.
It
Yeah, but
it
isn't
slows
it
down my
YouTube
computer.
where you don't get it for ages.
What?
Well, I don't know about that, but I'm just saying, even like kind of doing emoji freezes my browser for like 10 seconds just trying to click an emoji.
True. PC Master Race.
Hey, that's YouTube internet fault, not my PC's fault.
I think Twitch streams donation thing works fine.
To be honest, I prefer Streamlabs for donations
Yeah.
rather than Super Chat. Because first of all, if you are partnered with what it's called, a network, they will take a cut out of that donation, which is not fair.
They normally take a cut anyway. Same with PayPal, they take a cut.
Yeah.
It's like can't really do much about it.
Yeah, but the thing is this. First it goes through to Maker Studios and they will take a cut. Then when they will make the deposit through PayPal, the PayPal takes another cut. So yeah, that's Super Chat.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, that's Super Chat. So if it's done through Streamlabs, it's just the PayPal fee, I think.
Yeah.
Red Rooster said some guy sounds like Misty Chronexia? Who is Misty Chronexia? Is that Misty from Pokemon?
I don't know.
Is that her last name?
Sounds like a
I've never
girl,
known
probably me.
What?
Zombies,
These are
stay dead.
really. Ah.
Where do we
these
go from here?
snipers,
Oh my goodness, so many
These
zombies.
snipers, we could use taking them out. They're being dicks.
There we go. You're all welcome.
Yeah, he's still there. There we go.
I'm just gonna run for it. I'm just gonna make a run for it. Welcome to the other side. Oh no, more soldiers. Oh, we're gonna run into Leon very soon. I just remembered.
Spec Ops, they've got tactical advantage. Get the cover.
You should kill it.
Yeah, you get the choice to kill him actually, yes. You can decide.
Bang!
Oh, I like it at one point. It's gonna
Okay, I got no ammo.
it's gonna tell us whether we want to choose which side are we gonna go to, like whether we're gonna stick to
Oh,
Leon's
Sakura, Sakura, what side you going for?
Leon, save Leon, keep Leon.
Oh come on, we shouldn't plan ahead. We should just let it random.
You, Vloggy, see you made me look. Ah,
Hold on.
save Leon.
Yeah, I was gonna go for that too, actually.
I reckon me and Sakura versus Vloggy and Jack.
No, I want to save Leon as well.
I haven't got any ammo, so.
And you don't have any health either. Oh, says Vloggy. Look at my health. Now where do we go from here? Oh, here?
We'll go over here. Ah, ammo. Ooh.
I need ammo! Bamba!
Yeah, got a first aid spray. If you want health, get
Oh yes,
to me
please,
now.
yes, please. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I don't see. Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you. I'm coming.
Where are you?
I'm coming.
Yeah, yeah. You ready? You ready?
Yes. Oh yeah, baby. That
Oh,
feels so good.
You let
All
me
over
die.
my face.
Dirty boy. You're such a dirty boy.
Oh.
You jizz all over your face. Oh,
Nah. No, I was talking about the first aid spray. What?
Nobody said
I was talking
that.
about the first aid spray.
Sakura, we're talking about health here, all right?
All right, health. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, that was a good money shot right there. I just saw it.
We made the most out of that first aid spray.
Oh yeah.
That first aid spray. Splay.
Play.
Give up.
Blade A spray is a ready old.
True. I'm gonna fucking hit you.
What the heck? Get off me! This zombie wants a kiss. Ooh, somebody threw a grenade. Thank you very much. Who was that? Thank you very much. This
Right.
way. I need an herb. Actually, I don't. I'm good. Oh, I'm gonna die. I died.
You just gone into the middle of them, have you?
I haven't died yet. I haven't seen it, so it didn't happen yet. You're
Hello,
still alive,
Kenochrist.
Foggy.
Welcome, Kenochrist. Welcome.
I die.
Oh
Good.
no.
Good.
Unacceptable, Sakura.
Good grape juice. Last man standing is the champ. Let's see, last person standing.
Man,
Oh,
I
now
took
Vloggy
my-
died.
Actually, last woman standing because they're both females in the game. Jack
Nobody
went
likes
for the
me.
female.
Don't insult Jack like that.
He went for the female. He actually chose a
I
female.
got your back. What was it like being dead?
You know, same old. Same
Like
old.
being alive. Slower.
It's like being alive but slower. It's like being asleep.
There's less Amy, so I mean, there's upside. But...
Refill ammo, yes please.
You know.
Oh, I saw that knife from behind. Oh, Vlog, you got jacked up.
I know, right? I'm just chasing. I'm just following everyone. Come on, let's go. Open door. Whew, out. What is this? This is the warehouse. Sounds like someone got here first.
This looks like Amy's blood.
So yeah, as I was saying, it's hard to emulate the touchscreen gimmick on the Nintendo DS emulator. But I found a way around it. Like, you have to make perfect circles with the stylus, and I couldn't do that with the mouse and with the pointer. But what I did is I slowed down the emulator by, down to 25%, so I could take my time to draw the perfect circles. And then I got stuck at another thing, because I had to blow out the candles using the DS microphone, and I was emulating it, so I couldn't. So that one I had to let go.
Let it go.
I am definitely buying that game though. Tomorrow I'm visiting a store that sells used games. And
Man, all these zombie girls died in really hot clothing.
I know, right?
Oh,
I was
thank
thinking the
God.
same thing.
Oh, what?
It's true.
This must have been like a workout club over here.
Sexy zombies. Look at them. Look at her. Look at her. Even with makeup. She died with makeup on. And with her hair.
I know.
With her hair done.
Went out classy. All right, boys and girls, I need to eat and go to sleep because
Yeah, you do that, buddy.
I work super early.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us. That was so much fun that you joined.
Anytime.
Okay.
I'll catch you guys later.
Thank you so much. See you, True. I'll speak to you this week, and we'll play Outbreak File 2. I look forward to that.
Definitely.
See you, bud.
Adios.
See you later, you knobhead.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great time.
Ha ha ha!
Bye, True. Bye. Okay.
Oh no! I just realized he left me alone with the ladies now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I don't know you, Vloggy. I'm sorry. Do I know you?
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. My ding-ding-dong. That wasn't very good, actually. I could have done that better, but... I'm just following Sakura. I don't know where we're going.
You need to get into an elevator.
I don't know.
I'm following Sakura. Why am I following you?
Why am I following you?
Okay, hang on. We need to look at the map. I have no idea. Where are we going?
Over here!
Okay, I see Amy. I see
Up
Amy's
here.
name tag.
Yeah.
Okay, up the stairs. Okay. I'm coming. We're coming. I think. No, I can't see you guys.
You need to go upstairs.
Oh man. Okay, hold on. I found another set of stairs.
Upstairs!
I found these. Let's see. Okay, I found you.
Where's
Yeah.
Sakura? Where's Sakura?
She's there. I see
I'm
her.
the other side. I'm on the other side.
She's over there already.
Loggy.
What?
Get in.
Oops.
Vloggy, oh my god, get your butt.
I just wanted to make sure we didn't miss anything.
Yeah.
Leon Papacito Kennedy. I like that.
Wait. Let me do my accent. Hold on. Oh, papi.
Okay.
Nothing.
My PlayStation 3 is going with the disc inside. Who's trying to knife me? Don't knife me,
Oh,
Jack.
God,
Don't
Jack,
knife
I
me,
see.
Jack. Look at us fighting. We're arguing.
Yeah.
We're having an argument. All of us fighting.
Okay, doors open.
Doors open. Let's go. We should do this more often. Fighting when we're waiting for an elevator, and we're gonna get more of those later. So we're just practicing against zombies. That's so. Oh no, this part. Wait a minute. There's gonna be a part where we have to activate the tyrants. It's not now, is it?
Dunno.
No, it looks like labs we're in right now. Why did I follow you here? I'm gonna... You can't leave!
No!
Come on! Get out of there! Come on!
I am gonna hit you. Kira.
I can't get in. Oh my god.
It was so funny.
In.
Alright, let's go.
Knobbed.
Not bad. This way.
You bitches.
Sweet cockhead. He blocked me in the corner.
She couldn't get past me. Oh, this is it. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, oh, I hate this part.
This is one of our most most secret facilities, and it contains some of our
You
most
have to fight these little insect things.
exercise caution.
And if they get on top of zombies, they're gonna get stronger or something. And we have to reprogram the tyrant apparently, yes? This is it.
You know, Vloggy, I haven't been cursed since I'm here.
You see, I'm a good influence. There it is, there he is, there's the tyrant.
There's nowhere to fight here if that tyrant reactivates. Let's finish up.
He just set himself afire.
Yeah, yeah, I wanted to see if something happens, and something does happen. Yeah, I tried. Oh, come on, zombies. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Now carefully extract the parasite from the T-103's neural cortex.
Wow, Jack is speedrunning this.
Command.
I didn't even notice he got the thing already.
Good. Now locate the rogue nemesis.
Let's go!
Okay, Rogue Nemesis, what? I'm just following Ghost Hunter, he knows what to do. Oh, I miss Jack. I was so tempted to lock you in again.
You dare, and we'll be falling out.
Okay, so the tyrant,
Oh.
the tyrant is reactivate. Is he on our side? No, I don't think so, eh?
Spaghetti-o.
I need to find 3 key cards. Yeah, I'm gonna find all of them by myself. I see Sakura. I'm just gonna follow her around.
Right, ammo. Awesome.
Oh, come on, seriously? Ouch, ouch. Oh, wow, Crimson Heads. Yes, that's what we needed. Now I'm infected. Ah, it's okay, I have a spray.
Damn.
You're down? Where are you? Maybe I can help you.
I'm
come
where we were meant to be. Getting the card.
Oh, Ghost Hunter's down as well. Hold on.
Go down. Go downstairs, and then there'll be a storeroom.
Okay, I revived Jack. Now, where are you? Oh, I see your name tag. Hold on.
Go downstairs into the lab bit.
I'm coming, 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 I'm coming.
Downstairs.
Ah, man, I'm coming.
Downstairs.
Where are the stairs? Oh, no. I don't see the
Where that downstairs? Look. Go in the storeroom. Back where the tyrant.
Oh, I
was
find.
revived.
Oh, yes, 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 yes. I found the stairs. Okay, I'm coming. I see you. I see you. I see you. I'm almost there.
Left, 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 left. That's it. Left, left.
There's no more left. I'm coming. And there you are. I see you. I'm coming. I'm coming. You're on your own.
Hey.
Okay, good.
Hey.
I picked up the black card. Oh.
Nice. Oh. Fucking buggy things. I hate them. If there's anything in Resident Evil I hate, it's bugs.
Oh, I think Tyrant's coming. Oops, he punched me and he died
And-
me. He died me.
He wanted a hug. Bastard.
Ah. I dies. Are you dead as well?
No, I'm
I
alive.
died too.
Okay, so it's just in the hands of the higher level characters.
I'm just only level 4. I cannot help it.
Damn, I can't.
I'm not good at this game. I admit, I'm not good at this game. It's fun,
I'm
I
new to the
enjoy it,
game.
but
I am new to
ooh,
the
Ghost Hunter, he was so close. He was just at the door and he just got punched by the tyrant. Or Mr. X, whatever. There's no more left.
game. Amy, you alive? Amy? Oh.
Okay, I think Amy's the only one alive. Hold on, let me switch to Amy now. There's Amy.
No. Kira's
Oh,
alive.
Zakura. Oh, even Amy's alive, okay. Somebody revive Jack because he was so close to the door. Somebody revive Jack. I don't care about me. You can revive Jack.
Ah, that's heroism, that. That's heroism. You don't care about anybody else.
I care about the mission. We have to complete the mission. We have to complete the mission. It's funny that we're the bad guys in this game. Okay, I think okay, Sakura's going to revive Jack in 3, 2, 1. Hurry up! Hurry up! Okay, I think Amy's gonna revive. Okay, somebody did.
Damn, mom won't let me heal him. I mean, rev him.
Okay, good.
You raise me up.
Look at you singing. Alright, let's go.
Right, this bit sucks.
Where's the police station? Why are we supposed to be at the police station? I don't get it.
I'm gonna die.
Don't
I'm
die,
gonna
please.
die.
Don't die, please. I'm going to run. I'm gonna run. What is this? What am I supposed to do here? I'm spamming X. Door locked. Okay.
Cool, cool. Oh, 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 oh! They got me. They
Oh,
got me.
oh.
Don't say a word.
Oh, okay. Now I've been caught. Help me, please.
Ah, I
Please
can't
help me.
believe I died.
Oh my goodness, so many people's here. No away. Ah. Okay, time for a grenade. Eat this, suckers. Bye, have a great time.
Hey, thank you.
Ugh.
Dude.
Okay, time for another grenade. It's getting crowded in here.
It's getting hot in here.
So take
Oh,
off all your
off all your
pants.
clothes.
Take off all your pants.
All your pantalons.
Your pantalones. No, no pantalones.
Hi, tyrant! Get off me, you tit.
You boob. Oh no, he's making a run! Whoa! He charged at me. Okay, why am I the only one here? Uh-oh, he grabbed me by the head.
We'll just wait here for you, Bloggy, it's okay.
Oh, it's okay, I died, I think. I think I died. Yes, I died. You see, that was a shortcut. I died. Oh, let's fight!
Knife dance, we're knife dance. Yeah.
It's like we're dancing, it's true.
Yeah.
These chicks don't even know the name of my band. Look at us.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, back to normal.
That's what we do in real life when we get to an elevator at work. All right. Oh man, this game is exhausting. I'm gonna need a nap after this. Uh-oh, here he comes. I hate this roar. I hate the roar, the stars roar. They tried to copy the one in Resident Evil 3, but they didn't succeed. Listen to the roar. Actually, he's not gonna roar stars now, because he hasn't been programmed to go against stars. I like the Nemesis, but the roar,
Typical Resident Evil fan, always complaining.
No, I don't complain. I'm very satisfied with Resident Evil 7, for instance. Do I just shoot the Nemesis or not? I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Do I just shoot the Nemesis?
We've got to inject something into him.
Yeah, well, I got nothing to inject. Okay, unzips pants. I'm sorry. I'm kidding. I'm joking. I make a joke.
Boom, 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 boom. Not a bad roar, that.
I can do a better roar than this Nemesis. Can I? if I try any harder, I'm gonna burp. Hold on. I died. I was so focused on roaring. Hashtag lit. Resident Evil Operation Breakdance. That was so funny. It's true. That's what it looked like. I think I prefer Nemesis with a Gatling gun. He looks more threatening. There's a zombie trying to hug Nemesis. Alright, you guys are amazing. You're all alive, eh? Except me. Sakura's here. Amy's here. Except me. I'm just taking a nap up here. Are you just shooting Nemesis though? Are you just shooting Nemesis? Let's see what Jack is doing. Oh, you're down.
I'm dead.
Yeah, I saw you. You're down. What about Jack? He's shooting Nemesis, so that's what you're supposed to do. Okay, Spec Ops are coming in.
Backups. Thank you.
There's-
Notice how he revives me and not you.
It's okay, as long as we get this done, I don't care.
I'm only joking.
Oh, now Sakura's down.
Who shot? Oh.
Oh, he's down. Or not. Is he down?
No, not yet.
No. Because he opened his
Oh,
arm.
it's Zoe! That was fucking Zoe! From Resident Evil 7.
What? Oh, she looks like her. Yes, there's a zombie that looks like her. Yes. With the hair and the makeup. Yes, it looks like her. I liked
Amy,
Zoe in
run,
Resident
yeah,
Evil 7.
Amy. Run, Amy! Save me! Help me, please!
Help me, please!
Please help me!
I need a
Help.
herb!
Wow, Ghost Hunter hasn't died once.
Yeah!
And his health is like almost full.
I need a herb! I see one.
He's just up close with the Nemesis shooting up in his face. It's so good. You're so good, Jack. Oh, somebody revived me. Thank you. It was
That
it was
was me, that was
Sakura.
me.
Thank you. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
Oh, thank you.
It's all kisses up here, but when we get to an elevator, I'm gonna start knifing you again. Oh, so many Spec Ops! I'm gonna die very soon again. I died again. I'm a zombie now. I'm gonna attack a few people.
Yeah!
You injected the parasite. Where do you get the parasite from, though?
I'm pissing out with blood.
Now he's going to be reprogrammed to go against stars. Auto weaponry container F4 status ready. Beep boop beep.
Beep, 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 boop, beep, 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 boop, beep, beep.
He looks so much better than Resident Evil 3, obviously, because in Resident Evil 3, the graphics were still limited, but he's gonna play in the rocket launcher.
He's going after Jill.
And Brad He doesn't say it. He doesn't say it properly like he does in Resident Evil. Okay, I'm gonna suck in this one. Definitely, I'm gonna get the grade C. There we go.
Got A. No.
You got an A. Wow. Jack probably
Who
got
got
an
an
A
A?
as well.
Jack got an A.
I went up to level 24. Yay!
How about I got a B for badass bitch.
Everybody did better than me again. Once again.
Nice.
Everybody. And people,
Okay.
look at Jack being cocky. And that, people, is how you save the day. Oh, Jack. Go buy a headset tomorrow morning, Jack. Otherwise, way to go, vlogs. Sapphire, way to go, vlogs. The important thing.
Vlogs and his slugs.
Okay, Sapphire, the important thing is that I'm having fun. If I'm having fun, I'm a winner. Okay? Now we're going to the RPD. Alright, now we're going to the RPD. Can I buy a new gun or something? Jack, you told me that the best gun in this game is the Chicago typewriter, but I can't find it. Where is it? Juggernaut? It's not here. Up action heavy
I
machine.
think it might be an extra. I'm not sure.
Maybe a DLC or something. I don't know.
I had a weapons pack when I bought this.
Oh, okay. I remember getting something when I bought the game, like a code, but I never redeemed it, I think.
I think you can still buy them on the PSN.
Yeah, but
store.
I'm not. I won't buy them. No. This game is not that good so that I can spend extra money on it.
Oh.
Typewriter is with the LMG. Hold on, let me take a look again. Oops, sorry. With the...
I've got to get a chocolate. Hang on.
I'm gonna be missing chocolate for the next 5 months. So LMG, he said. So LMG. Light machine gun, is that it? LMG, light machine gun. Look at her, listen to her. She's in such a good mood. Look at her. No. She's in a good mood. I like that. Sakura, wake up.
What?
Sapphire's like, I'm not allowed to talk to Sakura. Oh, really? Did you ban him?
No, because he knows my focus is on you, baby.
Oh. You touch my tralala. My ding ding dong. Let's wait for Amy to come back with her chocolate and then I press start. Okay, Jack, make sure you buy a headset tomorrow. Buy some headphones or some microphone or something, okay? First thing tomorrow morning. Actually, it's today morning now.
I'm the only one with no samurai edge.
No, I have Samurai Edge. No, I also have Samurai Edge. Everybody.
No, everybody has it but me. I'm such
Oh,
I got no money.
you don't have money? Oh, I will make a donation to you.
Look. 98, 80, 24. I'm a noob. Look at it. Come
24
on.
is not that good.
Bruh, you got samurai edge. Really?
Ah, man. Amy. Come back, please. Where are you getting this chocolate from? Switzerland? You know, thanks to my sister, I get a lot of chocolate from Switzerland.
No. Amy's getting chocolate from Switzerland.
Alright, mate, I'm back.
Alright, mate, I'm back. Pressing ready.
I know, Jack. I see it's 25k and I don't have 25k. I only have 5k.
I got a hot chocolate.
What chocolate is it? Like Cadbury?
It's
I
from
forget
Dolce
chocolate.
Gusto.
Okay.
The hot chocolate, the coffee machine.
Yeah. I was gonna buy one of those machines, but it feels, I don't know, I prefer the traditional coffee machines, like the ones with the actual coffee, you know?
These are coffee. They're strong. They're really nice coffees. I definitely recommend them. They're not a bad price.
Yeah, they are good coffee, but I prefer the actual ground up coffee beans, you know, and you put them in the thing. You know, it feels more real to me. I don't
Yeah,
know.
but that's a lot more work. You just want a quick coffee, you just put the pods in and turn it on. I managed to do that in like the time that I was away.
Yeah.
No problem.
Tomorrow I'm
No
getting a
cleaning
coffee machine.
mashup.
Tomorrow I'm buying a coffee machine actually. Well, actually today, strictly speaking.
Wait.
And now for Sakura's second best bay after vlogging. Oh yes, Leon.
Oh, Leon, yeah.
I think so.
Leon is my babe.
We're going to the RPD. We're going to the RPD. Yes. I love Raccoon City Police Department.
My gun.
I kid you not. I was thinking of buying Umbrella Corps just for the Raccoon Police Department. Nah.
No, don't. It'll ruin it.
I know.
You'll see it and you'll be like, oh my god.
I know.
Raccoon City Police Department. All I remember is that shit game.
I know. That's why I didn't. But I was thinking of buying it just for that. Alright, let's go.
Maybe after this we can finally get out of here.
I think this map is easier now.
Oh, yeah, we've got to go down the ramp. Da 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 da. Yeah, da 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 da.
Now the streets will be filled with zombies, but we're gonna be okay. I think.
Whoa!
Nah.
What?
That was
What
me.
the
That was me.
fuck?
That was me. You're all welcome. Okay, you're all welcome. Help me, please! There's so many zombies. But this is the thing. I mean, alright, we got zombies, we got a street full of zombies, it's Raccoon City, blah blah blah. But it's not scary. It's not survival horror anymore. It's just, you know. Alright, we have to go up the stairs. I'm running towards the target. I wanna get to the police station.
Oh, cool.
I wanna get to the police station.
Dog on me. Bosco, get off me!
Bosco's up! He's not
No,
sleeping?
he's in bed.
Ah, okay.
I've left him on the bed and he won't move now.
I'm dead.
I would love to get a dog.
Oh no, you're dead.
I'm running. I'm falling. Yeah.
Oh.
Am I the only one in the police station? Anyone else? Is it just me? Am I the only one? Hello?
Hello, hang on.
I'm the only one in the police station, I think. I had to rush to the police station. I wanted to be in here.
I'm infected. I need help.
I don't have another one, sorry.
Thank you, Amy. Wait, thank you. Wait, Jack. Bro, come on. Man, these creams somehow won't leave me alone.
Oh, ammo.
Sakura!
Yay.
Alright, we have to burn some evidence or something.
The
There we
Irish.
go. Was that you, Amy? Did you burn that off?
Yeah, you can imagine what the remake would be like.
Yeah. This is the closest thing we have to a remake, to Resident Evil 2 remake right now. Look at the environment, the room, the office. It's so nice.
It'll probably be a lot better in a remake though, but
Of course, definitely.
that tiger, look at that tiger.
Yeah, I keep thinking. Yeah, I keep thinking. You're trying to attack the tiger. Now I want to attack the tiger. I keep thinking. I wonder if they're gonna use. You know how RE7 uses the RE engine.
Yeah.
I wonder if they'll use the RE engine again for Resident Evil 2 remake. The RE engine cost Capcom a lot of money. I mean,
Did you
they.
see that Resident Evil 7 third person?
Yeah, I've seen that.
thing?
Yes. Don't worry.
It
When it comes,
looked awesome.
when it comes to mods, nothing gets by me. But he's headless. The one you saw is without a head. Yes.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
shame. That's a shame.
Yeah, but they're working on it. They're working on putting a head on it. So when it happens, I will be streaming a session like that. Definitely. In fact,
That's weird. What they thought? Oh, they don't need a head, and then obviously all the mods starts, and they were like, actually, we might need a head.
exactly. So yeah, that's the plan when the door is locked here. What do we do? Where do we go? Lickers! Oh wow, the main hall. I just got here. Ah, look at this. Oh man, so nice. I wish I could take a screenshot, but I can't.
Well, you'll have it on video for later.
Ah, it's so good. Oh man, it's so good. You guys go ahead, proceed with the mission. I'm gonna stay here. So yeah, I was saying that Capcom has invested a lot of money in that RE engine. So I'm guessing they are going to make the most out of that engine now. They're gonna make a lot of games from that engine for sure, not just RE7. There's vending machines in the main hall. Love it. Alright, let's go. Look at Amy knifing the zombie. Is Brad down here? Brad, are you down here?
Brad!
No, but I picked up a grenade. Hold on, what's down here? What's this? There's a helicopter? I hear a helicopter. Oh, yes, there is. I want to look around real quick.
I'll just some ammo over here if you need some.
No, I'm good. Alright, let's go.
You ready?
Oh, here comes Leon and Claire. Do you ever get this far, Sakura?
No. Nope.
So it's the first time you get to see Leon in this game.
Yep.
Again, this gives us a good idea what it would look like, RE2 remake.
Well, they tried to satisfy us with all these little like games and remaking it, but it wasn't gonna do it, was it? We need the actual fucking remake.
Exactly.
Oh look, they look so hot.
They look really good. They look really good with PS3 graphics, of course.
And then they had to go to Revelations 2 and make Claire look like a douche.
No, but in Revelations 2, Claire is older now, much older. She does look older. So to me, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. She looks like a woman now, not a girl
But
anymore.
when did her nose get so big? Her nose wasn't that big.
Well, I never looked at her nose, but she looks older, and I'm okay with that, you know? She looks like a woman now, not a girl. She looks like a girl in RE2, she's a woman in RE Revelations. So I'm okay with that. Even Leon, when you think about it, he looks like a you know, a kid in RE2, but he looks like a man, an actual man.
Yeah,
in RE6.
Shame I can't find a man like that for real.
Yeah, I want that sexy.
Look at him. He looks like a kid in this game. Look at him. Hey.
I mean, why? I mean,
Hello
it's so
again.
fucking stupid. I've been living in a world. It's like I was watching Buffy the Vampire Slayer today, and Spike and that Buffy thing's hot. I'm like, why can't I have anything like that in my life?
Come on. Is that your type, really? Okay.
Well, I've got all sorts of types, Vloggy. You should know that.
Why should I know that?
I've got a bad tit. I mean, Sakura knows.
Yeah, but... So many zombies. Grenades, grenades! Throw your grenades! Nice.
Can we go through?
You guys
Yeah.
are good. Yes, that's where we need to
Yeah,
go.
let's go, let's go.
Uh-oh.
Thank you.
Antivirus spray. I'll pick that up. Thank you very much. Let's go.
Leon, come back. I want you.
Come on, Leon. We love you.
Leon, I want you in my pants.
None of us want to kill Leon. I mean, I don't want to kill Leon. You girls don't want to kill Leon, of course. I mean, I have my reasons. You have your reasons. I don't want to kill Leon because I love Resident Evil 2, so I won't kill Leon. You won't kill Leon because you have the hots for him. Okay, we need to kill these guys.
Oh no! I got chopped up. I need rest.
Sakura!
Sakura, I'm coming! Okay, Ghost Hunter's coming as well to save you. Alright. Oh wow, out of ammo.
Oh, got my head chopped off.
Yeah, there is a kind of auto aim. Maybe it's just assisted aim, but it's useful, huh?
Oh, the handgun, yeah. It's a sidearm. It's handy.
But to
I
aim
abuse the fuck out of it.
the aim is very awkward, huh?
Yeah.
The aim is kind of awkward with the handgun.
No, if you press R2, hold R2 with your handgun, and then your shoot button, it will go to your nearest subject.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, that's right.
But, you know, you're limited.
You meant L2, not R2. Alright, now what? Where do we go? Let's go after Leon. Leon, come on! We love you! We are your fans!
Leon, come back and bone me!
Amy!
What?
I told you to behave!
You invite me to your stream, I'm going to... You know what I'm
It's
like?
so funny! No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I can't behave. I can't. It's like when people like come in and say I cuss a lot. It's like I can't help it. If I'm raging, I'm cussing.
Wow, this is really helpful with the L2 that you told me. To aim.
Yep. It's good. It's good. Does that deserve a heal?
What?
Does that deserve a heal?
You need to heal, you mean? Is that your way of
Yeah.
asking me that you need health?
Yep.
I don't have any.
Oh, you bastard! You fucking asshole.
No, where do we go from here? Do we just jump off the roof?
No, we have to
Pick up hammer.
shoot these.
You touch my tralala. What do you
I
do?
died. I don't know where you guys at.
Where are you? Let me just come back for you.
I'm on the
I
roof
died
getting
before.
snipers.
Oh, there you are. Oh, Jack is coming. Look at Jack coming to Sakura's rescue.
Thank you, Jack.
Okay, what do we do from here now? What do we do? Where do we go? Okay, we need to get down there.
Semi-auto rifle. Aha. Okay. I'll take these twats out.
Frag grenade, thank you very much. Run, Forrest, run! Oh, hello.
Okay, sorry.
Sounds like a shotgun. Distraction?
I have no health. Da da da. Damn. There we go.
I'm
Yes,
not
it's been
going to
ages.
make it! Oh, they revived you. Okay, I was on my way to revive you. Oh, Ghost Hunter's down. Oh, my gun is empty. Nice. Took me a while to realize that I ran out of ammo. Alright, let's go. Hey, Bioshock! Bioshock is lurking.
Hi, bye, Chuck.
Hey, bye shot.
Did you check out Sapphire's comment?
Yeah, I did. I already replied. Like, it's been ages. I feel like a virgin.
Oh my goodness. Alright, I hate this part.
I'm dead already.
Even me, wow! Man, these hunters are formidable. Alright, I'm gonna have some wine then. Iron out, I need to refill. Oh, somebody revive me. Who the heck? No, nobody did. Don't revive me for now. I'm gonna make some wine. How are you, Mr. Bioshock? Oh, somebody revived me. Who the heck revived me? I guess no wine for me.
Okay.
You guys ever played Left 4 Dead?
Nah.
It's not a bad game. I don't mind it. But every time you reload, they shout, "Reloading! Reloading!"
Yeah, I think that's stupid. It's like, why would you tell the enemy that you're reloading? Because
I think
they
there's
get you.
no. They're telling their teammates reloading, so they have their back while they reload. Kind of. I think that's the point. I think. I don't know. The enemies are zombies, so there's no point in telling them that you're Stagla. This is the petrol station that blows up. The gas station that blows up in RE3.
I need a herb. Come on, everybody around, everybody around.
Okay,
Come over here.
there was a herb. Oh, you're gonna.
I got a herb.
You
Oh.
died. There you
Revive
go.
me, oh, it's gone.
It's gone? There's another one here. There's another one here. Do you know where I am? Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. There's one over here. Follow me. Well, it's not a herb. It is an herb. I got a trophy. Revival. I don't know. Oh, I died next to the herb. I got a trophy. I'm doing great, Bioshock. Thank you for asking. I think there's a way you can play this game with Leon and Claire and Carlos and Jill. I think there's a way you can play. I don't know, but Jack knows how it's done. I would love to play around.
Heroes mode. That's heroes mode.
Yeah, can we do that? Or do we need to? Is it DLC? Do we need to download that?
I don't know. You'll have to check your game.
I would love to do that. Play as Leon and Carlos and Jill, and it would be nice.
Damn.
Guys, I took down a hunter on my own, just so you know, okay? I took down another hunter on my own, just so you know.
Oh, I took down loads.
Okay. Okay, one took me, but the other one took me out. Oh, hold on. I'm still alive. Almost dead, but I'm still alive. There's an herb. Oh, there's hope. Oh, yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oops. I'm bleeding now. Oh,
Revive one of them.
Oh my goodness, all of them, they're down. Now I'm infected. Never mind.
Oh, Bloggy.
I'm gonna attack. We all died. That is heroes mode, and no is a multiplayer mode. Can we do that then? Can we play all together like?
I'm going bed in a bit.
Yes, I know.
I'm gonna be dead tomorrow.
Well, it's awesome that you could honor us with your presence this evening.
Yeah, I'm sure.
No, it's true. It's nice that even True joined, even though he wasn't playing. He just joined. He was a sport. I like
Give it
that.
a cabbage.
Gave us some Amy impression. It was nice.
Mocking me and my act.
I'm gonna die soon. I'm gonna die in like 3, 2. No, I'm not gonna die. Nice. This is how I roll. Amy's hiding, just like me.
I just healed you. Well, I should have.
Did you? Because
So.
I picked up a green herb just when I walked in, so I don't know.
I had a first aid spray.
They can't get in from here. This is awesome. Okay, he's down. One of them is down, but the other one's too far away. Come on. I'm gonna get close to the door, so I draw them this way. Come on. Oh, okay. There we go. He's here.
Can you blow the
Don't make the sound. Oh, oh, they walked in.
No! 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 I'm bleeding! I think the game's glitched out. I'm
I'm
not sure.
okay. It hasn't glitched for me.
Help me, please!
Oh, nice. Are you infected or something? I have an antivirus.
Nah. Damn. What a load of vloggy pants that was.
Man, what is the ops coming from? They're coming from nowhere. The freaking hunter was chasing me.
Yes, we're killing. This is good where we're staying here because they have a hard
The
time coming
hunter
in.
just itched his ass. The hunter just stood there and itched his ass.
Really? Sakura's down. I see Sakura.
I'm going for Sakura!
Can somebody go revive her? She's not too far away. Is she too far away?
The extra people there.
Extra people.
Go rest hunter. Jack. Go,
I
go,
don't know where you are!
Go rest Jack. Forget
I
about
can't
me. Go
find
rest
you.
Jack. Get
Good Jack!
Vloggy, you next to Jack.
No.
I'm dead.
Bruh. Look at the Vloggy sitting there. Bruh.
Are you all down? You're all down. Oh my goodness.
You sit there and get the fuck.
Yes, that's because I know how to defend myself.
Ah, yeah, whatever.
Such a fucking bum.
One up.
Get away,
Yeah.
get away. What are you doing? Get away, go away. Don't go there, bruh.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Ooh, intense.
Or not. I don't know. Did somebody revive Jack? Has anybody revived Jack? Where's Jack? Oh, he's still there. Okay, I'm gonna go get him. Hold on.
I'm going for Zoo.
Yes, okay. You do that. I'll get Jack.
Man, watching Vloggy, I'm getting dizzy.
Where is he?
I died trying to get. I died trying to get.
I told you guys forget about me. Go get Jack.
I'm getting Jack now. Jack is back.
I can't forget about yeah.
All right, go get Amy. Go get Amy.
But Amy is in a. You girls are in a tough spot,
But
huh?
Careful, there's ops in there. Ops. Throw a grenade. Bruh.
Okay, I'm out of ammo.
There was few boxes.
Go,
of ammo
go
in the
Emelian,
background.
go Emelian.
No, I'm just gonna run. I'm just gonna make a run for it.
Just revive one of us quickly.
Okay, I revived.
Yay.
What did I get?
Hey. Woo.
And there you go. Okay, I need help though. I'm like I'm about to die.
Oh, Vloggy, you want help?
Yes, please.
I ain't got any.
Okay. Okay, that sounds familiar. That's a recycled joke. You gone green? I'm out of ammo, completely out of ammo.
Let me pass, let me pass, let me pass.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, ammo. Nice. It's amazing how long I've survived with this much health. I am so good.
I'm gonna let you die now.
Oh, come on, come on, come on. Okay, I died. Rip. Rip. Actually, no, Vloggy. It's a mode where you protect RE2 and RE3 characters, not play as them. Are you sure? Are you sure? Because I think I've seen people play as... I don't know. Maybe it was a mod. I don't know.
Looks like I'll have to keep a closer eye on you.
Damn, I was trying to... Wow, he's strong.
I heard the hunters. They're hunters?
Closer eye on you.
Whoa! Whoa! Ghost Hunter down, Amy down. Oh, man.
Don't kick Me?
Sorry. I wanted to teabag you, but...
Right, I think this is a Jill bit.
It's gone. Let's just get to a safe house.
Wait.
Whoa, 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 there's Spec Ops. Careful. I hate these guys. I'm here to shoot zombies, not people. Come on.
Okay.
Are there any other Resident Evil games you can play in 4-player mode like this? I don't think so, eh?
Oh my god, I got killed by the grenade.
Damn.
I need a rest. I need a rest.
Right, you ready?
Somebody's healing someone? Okay, never mind. I died. He's positive about that. Okay, so we don't get to play as those characters. Never mind then. Oh, nice. Whoever threw that grenade, GG. Oh, I died again. Wow.
Hunters incoming. Oh, what's up, Bosco? You just go up and looking at me as if to say, what are you doing? Have you seen the time?
He's like, Mommy, don't forget tomorrow.
Mummy, why are you? He is just staring at me.
Oh my god.
Are we
what
not
the
going
heck?
tomorrow?
So he's staring at me to say, why are you not in bed? Have you seen the time?
Alright, are we gonna do this? What the heck? Oh, these
Yeah, that
capsules
boss, yeah.
fall from the sky, yes?
They fall from the sky. They have these lovely little hunters.
That's down. Nice.
They
Careful guys,
wanna
careful guys.
burn me
Somebody,
real hard.
one of you girls needs to be a bait, alright? And we shoot. Nice.
No one ain't coming. Just took another one down. I'm now dead.
Amy's down. Hold on. Let me go get Amy. Alright, good.
Thank you.
I hate
I'm
Crimson
bleeding or
Heads.
something? Ah, I'm dead again.
You're dead again. Oh, come on. I'm low on health.
Okay.
Oh, I see something. Is this healing? Yes. Come on, pick it up. Nice.
Clear.
Bye, have a great time. Nice. Oh, there's ammo over there. I need ammo.
First aid spray. Come round me if you want one.
Where are you? Which one is you? Okay, here we go. Look at us. Okay, let's go.
There's one stack up.
Whoa! So many! So many! Whoa, 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 whoa. Where do we go from here? Here? Okay, here. We just go jump down, jump down, jump down, jump down.
Oh, lovely bit this. Lovely bit. Tyrant time.
Yeah. Reload your guns. Get ready. Heal if you have to. Antivirus if you have to.
I'm trying to jump down it. Let me fucking drop you, bitch. Fa la 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 la.
Bamba.
La 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 la.
Bamba.
La 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 la.
Alright, are you guys ready for Tyrants? Who triggered the Tyrant? Amy.
Ah, help me! Help me, please!
Please help me! You're a zombie!
I thought there was two.
Oh no. Oh no! Jack is a zombie!
No!
I'll revive him, hold on. We need Jack. There you go. Welcome back, Jack.
There's two tyrants, by the way.
What the heck? Two Tyrants? Oh my goodness! And they're charging at us like, I'm coming! You won't be able to get the safe house until you destroy the Tyrants. Ugh.
Need headshots. Because they've got their.
Did you ever defeat this on professional or whatever it's called? This game. Did you ever defeat this? Amy, I'm talking to Amy because
I don't know. I can't remember. It's
you love
a few
punishment.
years ago, you know.
Because we can do it if you want one day.
On this, I probably wouldn't want to with this. Probably on RE5, maybe. I need good players in there, and Sakura's one, but she doesn't always want to play Desperate Escape.
Jack is really good to go with you on RE5. He's really good on professional.
Ooh. I've got to do the actual. I mean, if Sakura wants to do the story
One Tyrant
mode
is down.
with professional on Resident Evil 5, I won't put that.
I'll do the story mode on RE5.
Awesome.
Are you gonna make it?
Get your hands off of me.
Awesome. Because we're hardcore.
You're hardcore. Me, I always go on amateur.
Yeah.
Oh, vloggy.
I care about the story, not the challenge. I care about the story,
Yeah,
the journey.
You gotta be really persistent to be able to achieve
Yeah,
like
like
grounded
we did that time.
You basically gotta have a bitch attitude about you. You gotta be like, I ain't fucking losing to this twat.
And I don't mind. I have a lot of patience. I don't mind doing something over and over again. But when I'm streaming it, I start feeling that, you know, I'm annoying my viewers. Like, how many times are we gonna be watching this for an hour? You know, and so.
We were dying for 9 hours. Still have viewers.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's true. It's just I panic. Oh, I'm not the last one this time. I'm the third place. Vlog is lying. He never beat RE5 on professional. Also, I killed both Tyrants. Jack. No, I never beat it on professional. I didn't say that. Oh, you never beat it on professional. I thought you were. Because you're really good at it. I just assumed that you were. No, I assumed. I assumed that you are good and you have done it on professional before because you're so good. I assumed. Okay, my bad. Jack sucks. Now, where do we go from here?
One more.
Okay, I can buy another gun, I think.
How many experience points I've got? 11 million, is that?
I can buy another gun, but I don't know which gun to buy. I mean,
I got 11 million points, experience points.
I have 11,000.
I think to get level 99, you have to do the whole 98 levels again
2 more levels according to Jack.
to get level 99.
I know how you feel, Logi. I do Diablo 3 campaign a-thon, and I need to play other games.
I need to go to sleep.
No, if you gotta go, that's fine. We
I
understand.
think I'm gonna have to go.
That's fine. We understand.
Because
Alright, good night, Amy.
I'm not gonna be able to survive tomorrow.
No, of course. I understand. It's 4 a.m. Michael.
Ah, dentist. I'm having a crown put on.
Oh, wow. You're becoming a queen?
No,
Princess Amy.
on my teeth.
Oh,
On one of my
Queen Tooth.
yeah, I had a crown put on.
Go get some rest, Amy. Thank you so much for playing with us. That was awesome of you to join us.
Yep.
Yeah, thank you for
Take
having
care.
me.
Have a good
Take
night.
care.
Good night,
And
Amy
have
and
you wa-
Bosco.
I'll be watching in my sleep.
Yeah. try
Kisses
to
and
sleep.
hugs to Bosco.
Try to sleep, not join us within an hour again.
Bosco, come here. Say hello to everybody.
yes,
Come
yes,
here.
I wanna hear the snore. Come on.
Come here. Hello. Yeah.
Ooh. So
Aw.
cute.
Well, hopefully when he has his operation, he won't be doing that anymore. Yeah, he's got his teddy. He's got his teddy.
So cute.
Oh.
So cute.
Okay, night, night, guys.
Take care. Have a good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Evacuate ASAP. Get us out of here. Fuck you.
Commander, if you're even listening, we need
Wow,
extraction
Vloggy.
immediately.
It's just
I
you.
haven't said a cuss word and I haven't screamed and rage.
It's just you and me now. I'm gonna take my shirt off.
Oh,
Wow, wow, chicka, wow, wow, chicka, wow,
Why don't you bring my baby oil? You bring the baby oil. Ooh, yeah.
baby oil. Oh my goodness.
Let me oil that body.
Jackhammer is still here. Oh, I mean, okay, put shirt back on. sorry, we're just kidding. Jack is like, I'm still here. I like that.
I know. Check it out.
End of transmission. Umbrella Labs. Is this the part where we run into Leon, or where's Jill? I forgot the Jill part.
Okay, I'm following Jack.
Yeah, me too. Jack, come on. It's all in your hands, buddy. I think Jack is typing something. Ada, Jill is DLC. Thank you, Sakura. I was struggling with that guy.
Oh,
Where do we go? I lost Jack. I don't know where Jack is.
I don't know where Jack is because I was following you.
Oh, okay. I think this is the dead end. I'm gonna go up here. Oh, nice. No, zombies. Ouch. There's a lot of crimson heads coming my way! And I'm infected.
There's a thing here, right here.
I found the virus. I know where a virus is. I have a virus here. Look, 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 look. Nice. Alright, now where to? Ah, more zombies! Alright, we have to get on this apparently. Okay. I switched it on. Are you guys on? Okay, good. What the heck? She was infected. Was she infected? She just turned, eh?
Yeah, she got infected.
Okay. She came back. Reactivate the elevator. Wow, somebody already did. GG.
Parasites.
Reactivate the elevator. Now I reactivated it. I need some ammo. Look at us. Oh, Ada!
They're already on to me.
She's very pretty in this game as well. Are you dead, Sakura?
I'm here.
Oh. You went very quiet. I thought you sleeping.
Because I'm concentrating.
You're concentrating. So you never made it this far then?
No, I didn't.
Take those spec ops out too!
Ah, crap.
Kill those fucks!
Oh, you guys followed me. Okay. Well, I had no idea we were just right behind me. That was awesome. Everybody was behind me. That was good. I was like, I'm gonna wait here till they show up. You were just there, all of you. Nice. Alright guys, I'm out to work tomorrow. Okay, no problem. Thank you so much for hanging out, Bioshock. Take care, buddy.
Bye, Shock.
Have a good night.
Okay, I need to go AFK. Oh my god.
Okay, no problem. Go, 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 go. We got this.
Look at this.
Sorry, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
That's fine. We managed to kill all of them without letting you die.
I love you so much.
So good. But I'm on danger. I think Tyrant's gonna show up now. Nope, more zombies. What do we do now? Pursue the infiltrator. Where's the infiltrator? Right, there's the herb. There's the herb. Can I get to the herb before I die? Yes, I did. Let's go. Oh crap, this is not good. Jack knows exactly where we need to go, so I'm just following him blindly. Are you right behind us? Oh man, he managed to grab me just the last bit. Ah. Alright.
What the hell is going on? Why is the self-destruct sequence active? Get to the control room.
Repeat. All personnel are to evacuate.
Oh wow, you're way behind. I just realized. Keep running. Go up the stairs. I'm gonna guide you. Go up the stairs and go the... no, he died as well.
Shit! Freaking hunter! Oh my god!
Okay.
I never got this far. That's why I don't know anything.
That's fine. At least we start over here. That's fine. Even me, I died. Oh, we have to do it again. Okay. Up the stairs. Then down the stairs, if I remember correctly. Then this way. Wow, he grabbed me. Run, 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 run. Are you guys right behind me? Because I'm in the lead.
Warning. Installation self-destruct sequence engaged.
Oh, you made it.
Are to evacuate immediately.
What the hell is going on? Why is the self-destruct sequence active? Get to the
The door's taking forever to open. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god! A door! Why does it take that door to open?
It's part of the game. Get in. Ah, I died. I died.
Go, go, go.
I died. I died.
Motherfucking door!
I died. Ah, man. Everybody died? Oh, everybody died. Wow. We can do this. We can do this. Run. Whoever gets there first pushes the button. Wow, look at us running, all of us. Ghost Hunters first.
Warning. Installation self-destruct sequence engaged. All personnel are to evacuate immediately.
What the hell is going on? Why is the self-destruct sequence active? Get to that control room.
Repeat.
Okay, the door's open. Go.
Are to evacuate immediately.
I love how Jack is shooting every single camera.
Oh, look, Leon.
Yes, this is part of Resident Evil 2. Look at that. This is canon, this part.
I can't wait for the remake. Oh my god.
Oh, you have no idea.
I wanna see. I wanna.
Oh, look
have
at
it,
they're
I
gonna
wanna
kiss.
own it.
They're gonna kiss. Oh, bow, chicka, wow, wow.
Sorry, Vloggy. I die.
So it looks like our team was looking at them through the camera when all this happened. Ada! Now the self-destruct sequence is gonna start probably.
It's that cop.
Find Leon in the upper lower core. We still have to kill him, apparently.
We've identified the police officer as Leon S. Kennedy. He's already gained access to classified areas of the facility and is likely in possession of sensitive information. Shut down the self.
Whoa, 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 whoa! What's all this? What's all this? Why so many?
There's no way to interrupt the self-destruct sequence.
How the hell could this happen? You let that cop get away and now he's ransacking our facility? Kill them. Kill all of them.
Copy that. What's the target?
They're in the power. Go.
Repeat. All personnel are to evacuate immediately.
I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I don't think you should be following me because I don't know where I'm supposed to go.
Evacuate immediately. Repeat. All personnel are to evacuate immediately.
Okay.
Hurry up and find those intruders.
Repeat. All personnel are to evacuate.
Oh my goodness, 2 hunters. Thing is, Capcom is going to take their time, and we all know it. Well, they have taken their time already. Reach higher ground. Let's go. They have taken enough time already. They've announced it in 2015. We're in 2017 now, so come on, we deserve a screenshot or a trailer or something. I don't have to see the game. I don't have to see the game, like, complete.
Really, Vloggy?
What?
You let me die?
Did I? I don't know. I just went up the stairs. I don't know. If I noticed you were dying, it would have helped, but... I'm trying to get us out of here.
Repeat. All personnel are to evacuate.
Here he comes. You know this part, right?
No.
You know what's gonna
Wesker?
happen. No, come on. Wesker, Tyrant. You need to play Resident Evil 2 again.
Look, it's Wesker. Look at it, look at it, look at it.
No, it's Tyrant.
I know.
It's the
Oh,
same
la
music from
la.
RE2 as well. Whoa, 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 what's going on? Whoa, 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 whoa. do I do? Where do I go? What do we push? Which button do we push? This door? No. Where do we go?
You'll have to get out on the service platform. Go.
What do we do? Oh, we're going up. Okay. This is interesting. We're gonna be in an elevator.
Perfect.
We're gonna be trapped. We got nowhere to go. And Tyrant is gonna find us.
Rawr!
T-103. There he is. He's coming. He looks badass in this one, huh? You know where to shoot, yes?
The heart, the heart.
Yeah, the glowy part, obviously. It's always like that. Always like that. Oh, he covers it, you see? Sometimes he covers it. He knows where we're shooting. He's coming. Oh, wow, I think that was all Jack, huh? I mean, I shot, but I don't think I shot enough. Are we still going up? Yes, we're still going up. Oh my goodness. It's Tyrant with Wesker's face. Where's the ammo? Oh, there it is.
Nice.
Why is the elevator stopping? Come on.
Oh, she.
Yes, the elevator is gonna go through the flames, so we have to move ourselves into position so we don't get to the flames. So, like this. And then like this. And then go again here. There we go. The eye stayed there. She got burned. Tyrant's back.
Oh no.
Did you think that was enough to stop him?
Yep.
No. Oh wow, now's that chance. He has a sexy butt. Watch out. Oh, nice.
I got him.
Did you? I thought it was Jack. We're almost there. Think again, Sakura. He said.
Okay, okay, you got it. Damn.
It's not dead, but it won't be back anytime soon.
Let's see. I got a B, an S, a D, and an S. I got a B this time. What about you?
A B.
Okay.
B for badass bitch.
B for... Let's go. Yay, 26. Jack got an A. Last mission. And then it's bedtime for me.
Yeah, mine too.
I'll probably have to get up around, I don't know. Let's say I go to bed at 5 a.m. Maybe this mission has another half an hour. If I go to bed around 5, 6, 7, 8, I'll get some 3.5 hours of sleep.
Oh.
End of the line. So, 13,000. Which gun should I buy? I don't know. I'm gonna go back with the Juggernaut. I'm ready. Four Eyes is going to be alone against us. So it seems like Jack is going to choose to defend Leon as well. So it's
I
just
defend Leon.
so it's just Four Eyes against the three of us.
Yeah. Save Leon. Don't leave my bae die, please.
Because the game gives you a choice, you know? Everyone gets an individual choice. Like if you decide to save Leon and I decide to save Leon, we're on the same team. If Jack decides to not save Leon, he's against us. We turn against each other basically.
No, I'd rather save Leon.
I want to save Leon as well. I mean, it's canon. Letting Leon live is canon basically because obviously he lives.
This is an interesting game, so I will play it again with you guys.
Yes, I'd love to play. Well, next time we'll play as Spec Ops, not the bad guys. These are the bad guys, and we're fighting Spec Ops. Next time we'll be the Spec Ops,
Okay, okay.
and we will run into Jill.
Okay. Is that a DLC or?
I think it is. I think it is. I'm not so sure. Jack can tell us. That means you guys have to get the DLC campaign. There we go. We'll see. We'll see how much it costs. If it's within a reasonable price.
If it's reasonable price, I'll buy. If it's not, no. I mean, the game is old and
The game is alright. I mean, it's not the best Resident Evil game. It's far from that, but it's okay. It's an okay game. It's definitely better than Umbrella Corp. Okay, zombies are getting up. Oh, I just remembered how hard this part is. Come on. Somebody just saved me. I think it was Jack, but thank you.
I'm infected. Oh.
Lots of Crimson Heads here. Nice. Oh, I need some healing.
No, so many of them.
Yeah.
Using a shotgun?
Yeah, I switched to a shotgun, yeah. You're following me? I think I'm doing good progress. I'm moving fast towards the... Ah! This way? This way? Is it this way? It feels like it's this way. Let's go.
I am lost.
Me too. I found Jack. I'm just gonna follow him. Are you behind me? Yeah, you are. Oh, come on, seriously? About 20 euros? Ouch. That's not cheap. €20 for a DLC, it's expensive, considering that it's an old game now.
Yeah, like I said, it's an old game. I'm not gonna pay that much money.
Yeah.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Did you notice that she is voiced by Alison Court, the same girl that voices her in RE2?
Vloggy, stop taking all my ammo.
Hey, it's our ammo. We're in this together.
There is no we.
There is no I in team. Wow, they're shooting at us from the top as well. Somebody needs to take the guys up there at the top. I can't take them out because I have a shotgun.
Get out of the way.
Yeah, I saw you walking into that one.
Ah, I didn't see. I was throwing grenade. Crap.
What the heck? Come on, revive. Two packs is for €10 each. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. We'll see. Maybe it'll be on sale. Now what do we do here? Do we just shoot the things? There's a lot of fat guy zombies with hoodies. Have you noticed?
He's gotta be in here somewhere. That's our target.
Ah, this part is annoying.
On your position. They're here to evacuate those survivors. Don't let them interfere.
Wow, this part is annoying.
You guys are Umbrella, huh? Got something special in store for you. Here's my
I got shot by Claire. Oh crap.
Did you?
Yep.
Well, we did it at least. Last time I played this with Jack, it took us a couple of retries. I think Amy was with us as well.
get out of here.
Leon, no!
Bring that Birkin girl over here, or we'll take our time with this cop.
Go!
Don't hurt him! All right, we're coming!
Hurry it up.
Why are you doing this? For Umbrella? Money? What's in it for you, huh?
Alright, so I'm assuming we're all on the same side now. Everybody decided to defend Leon, yes?
Yes, so.
Defeat your comrades, former comrades now, because they went against each other. And Leon is on our side as well. Oh my goodness, that's true! He's not holding anything, look at this! Look at his hand! Oh my goodness, it's so funny! Leon. You failed, buddy. Oh my goodness, he's holding an invisible gun! Okay, the gun showed up now. He has a gun now. Let's go. Okay, where's Jack? Did Jack go against us? I don't see Jack on our side. I don't see Jack.
We need the cop alive.
We need to finish the mission.
Jack went against us. He's against us, Jack. Come on, Jack. Why'd you have to go against us?
I hate you, Jack. I hate you.
Why did you have to go against us, my friend?
He's the traitor. I hate him. Note to self: never play with Jack again.
We hate you, Jack. Green thumb. I don't know why I got... Oh, you're down. Hold on. Ghost Hunter is down as well. Hold on.
Let
hold
him
on.
dead. Leave him dead.
Of course I'm... Of course. What the heck? Even Leon's dead.
Run, run, run,
You
run,
are
run,
infected. What the heck? What's going on? What do I do? What do I do?
Run for your life. Run, Bluggy, run.
I keep running, but I don't know where I'm going. Oh, herb. Nice.
Those fat guys behind you.
Fat guys. You're done. There's another one, eh?
It's a crimson head.
Freaking. Alright, I'm gonna go revive you real quick. Hold on.
Alright.
What the heck? Come on. Why does he have...
Hey, don't
I
say
can't
that.
revive you.
Really?
No.
Bugger. Where's Leon?
Leon is dead too. I saw him getting killed. So there's someone else that I need to take out. I don't know who, but how can I not revive you? It's not giving me the prompt.
No, I can't be revived. I'm dead. Cause Jack decided to kill me.
Actually, the game bugged for me. He says, "They better be ready for the remake." Is that what you mean? Red. All right. Where's I should be taking out someone else here. I just can't see who.
Can you restart? Cause it looks like there's nothing. I don't see anything.
Whoa. What
Who's
is this?
that?
I don't know. Look at that.
Who's that?
I don't know. The other girl that's against us. Oh, there we go. We did it.
Delta team, what's your status?
The game bugged and it didn't let him choose, apparently.
That kind of game bug, and you were cheating specifically right after me.
Even the last girl I shot at, she was bugged. She wasn't moving. She was just standing there.
Fighting your BOWs. We want triple the original.
Either way,
and an evac chopper sent
I
to location immediately.
I finished the game. Jack was dead. You were dead. It was just on me. I am the hero of the game.
Yeah, you know why you got the hero? Cause Jack knew I was the weakest one. He's like, dead.
We'll take our chances.
See, if I'm going down, I'm taking you down with me.
You weren't the leverage we thought you were.
I wonder if
Turned on us already.
they will include the story, perhaps, of these guys
Keeper, we've got other plans.
in the remake. I don't know.
Once we get out of this city, we're going to gut Umbrella from the inside out.
Yeah! GG! We did it! Yeah! GG! We are so good. We are so good.
Oh no, I'm not buying that DLC because it's too much money.
There's so much money.
Damn it! Stop doing that.
Yes, you did that. Okay, time for me to get some sleep. Oh my goodness, my butt hurts from sitting, and my back hurts, and my neck hurts.
I'll break your neck. I'll break your back and
Oh,
massage your
man.
butt.
Oh, I need a butt massage. Okay.
No, the euro is more expensive than the dollar. So if it's 10 euros, that's $15.
It would be $5 for you, Sakura. So 10, he said. I don't know. I don't know. I don't understand. I cannot skip this. Yes,
I'll
I
check it
can.
out.
Oh, I skipped it. What do I get? What grade do I get? Let's final grades. I got an A. I got an A, like a boss.
I gotta
A
see
for.
because somebody decided to kill me.
I got an A for. Alpha.
Bruh.
I went up to level 27. Woohoo!
I'm not happy.
I'm gonna reach Ghost Hunter one day. Jackhammer got an A as well. Good.
I'm not happy.
We did it. Next time we should try. Let's see. Maybe if Jack hosts the event, maybe he invites us to. What if you do that, Jack? Maybe you invite us for the Spec Ops mission. Can you do that? And maybe we can play it without buying it. I don't know. Thank you, Final. Thank you.
Thank you, Final.
What is this? Oh, we're starting over. Yes, this is no. Back.
No.
No more. Aren't you want to leave this game? Yes. Well, maybe Jack can host the game, perhaps. I don't know. Options, downloadable content.
Let me check the DLC.
Campaign. Restart campaign. Free
Wait, campaign?
play. Quick match. I don't know how it's done.
Okay. Wait a minute.
I don't know. For the first one, yes, since it's free. But the rest, I don't know. Do you want to go for the free one? Right now?
Wait, which one? Resident Evil Ops, Echo 6
Yeah,
Prologue?
Spec Ops it's called. Yeah, Spec Ops missions, something like that. Or let's leave it for now. Maybe next time we'll play the Spec Ops and he can invite us and we can play the first mission perhaps. Spec Ops, yeah, I have the entire campaign. So you can invite us for the Spec Ops for the entire campaign. And we can play it with you without buying it. Is that what you're saying?
Is that what? Okay, hold on. Yeah, I
We
have
can
the
try.
Spec Ops. I have the Spec Ops. Wait. Okay, hold on. I got. Oh, okay. Resident Evil Echo 6 expansion pack. I don't have it. That's $10. Expansion pack 2. That's another $10.
Yeah, that's expensive.
Raccoon City free Echo 6 Prologue free. I have that one. Yep. So it's two packs for $20.
No, I don't think I want to go for that. No, it's an old game. Maybe if the price goes down, it's just DLC. Come on, the entire game is not even worth €20 now.
Yeah, I will download the game if it was for free. I mean, $20 for an old game. No.
With €20, I'm gonna get 2 games tomorrow at the second-hand store, the used games shop that I'm going to tomorrow. But anyway, I'm gonna go because I'm tired. I need to get some sleep. I'm counting around. I'm gonna be sleeping around 3.5 hours mostly, which is good enough for me, I think.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Sakura, for playing with me. Thank you so much, Jack, for playing with me as well. Thank you, Amy. She's probably fast asleep, unless she's lurking. She's still up and watching the stream. Thank you, True, for joining us for a nice chat. Even though you weren't playing with us, it was fun having you over as well.
Hey,
and thank you for everyone in the chat that hang out with us. And
yeah, make sure you play RE5s and fix your damn golden egg.
yeah, I need the golden egg, Jack. Next time we play some RE5, you and me again, and we get the egg. No, actually, remember, I played it last one without having the pack yet at the moment. Yeah, exactly. I don't know. We'll try it next time. We'll have Amy with us again. All right. Have a good night. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.